For delivery of judgment,
Criminal
criminal appeals jail 37 of 22.
বাকিটা বিষয় নাই। As the prosecution has failed to prove this case against the accused appellants along with any common intention beyond all reasonable doubt by way of clear, reliable and credible evidence, we find that the judgment and order dated 11/1/2022 of conviction and sentence passed by the trial court is not sustainable in law and the same is liable to be set aside. It is accordingly set aside. Consequently, the criminal appeal is allowed. Both the accused appellants are to be released from custody forthwith if their custody is not required for any other case or purpose. এইখন বই যাও, এইখন বই যাও। 80 চলে আসলো। 1 কোন কি? Yes.
With the consent of other side, my lord, Mr. V.K. Singh, I beg to mention item number 15 and 16, my lord. I appear on behalf of the petitioners. There's some difficulty today. May I please this matter be taken after 2 weeks, my lords?
Why?
There's some difficulty on my part, my lord.
Okay. Doctor. Doctor. Mr. R. Dubey. You are
Petitioners
the
in both
petitioner in
cases.
one or both?
Both.
Okay. Mr. R. Dubey, learned counsel for the petitioners, has submitted that he has personal difficulty to do the cases today and has made a prayer, comma, with the consent of the learned counsel for the respondents,
My lord, Mr. V.
comma, to adjourn them for 2 weeks, full stop, as sought for. Comma, release the cases after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office.
My lord, I have one more prayer as regard item number 37, my lord. In this case, I represent the State Election Commission. My lord, I am in 2 weeks' time to file my response. I have the consent of my friend.
I'm appearing for the petitioner in this case.
Okay.
My lord, there is another item in today's list, item number 22. Both these matters are actually intermittently connected. I have informed the other side in item 22, Senior Advocate Mr. Azzatta. Let these both matters speak, my lord, listed together.
Okay. Mr. D. Chokro, 37. Mr. D. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioners, is present. Mr. R. Dubey, learned standing counsel, some state election commission. For the respond number? 4. Has sought for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit of opposition on behalf of the respond number 4. First of, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the other respondents to make the prayer. First of, list the case on so and so date.
Second March.
Third rank, 22.
22.
Okay.
But can be a date earlier or later, my lord. 2nd March, I have something.
9 months.
Ninth.
Okay. 22. Mr. D. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, has made a prayer to release the case after 2 weeks. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. First of, release the case on so and so date, same date.
Along with this matter, my lord.
Same date.
Well, oblige. Oblige.
May it please your lordship. Well, I beg to mention for listing of a read petition, my lord. That was last posted on in the month of May last year.
In
my lord.
admission column.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, give it to the court master.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 21, lordship.
21.
21.
Yes.
Here, Mr. NRM, the counsel who is assisting Mr. Senior Counsel TJ Monto is out of station. So I prefer adjournment for today, lordship.
Today.
I prefer adjournment, I take me fixed for it.
Okay, after 1 week then, Mr.
2 weeks at 28th of this
On
month.
the prayer of Mr.
S.I. Bhatia.
S.A. Bhakhtiar, learned counsel for the petitioner, placed the case on so and so. It is submitted, the consent has been taken. Oh,
May I please, your lordship?
Second Mars.
Lordship,
Second Mars.
it will be difficult. 28th of February.
I beg to mention
no,
item
no,
number,
not 28.
I beg to mention
That's okay.
item numbers 53, 54, and 55, lordship. I appear on behalf of AIDC. We are led by learned Advocate General of Assam, lordship. He is out of station, so we pray matter may be passed over for the day and 19th of February, if that could be fixed, lordship.
19. Yes, who is?
And the other
I'm
side,
for 53 in the petitioner. So I have got the bid, the highest bidder. So there is an urgency. 19th is the consensus date for everyone. So it may be
Okay.
fixed on 19th.
Mr. R.J. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner in 53. Who are the others?
Hearing for 54 year.
Mr.
S.A. Hussain.
S.A. Hussain, 54,
55.
as does 55. Are present, Mr. D.
Deka.
Deka, learned counsel for, learned standing counsel, AIDC. Has sought for listing of these cases on so and so date,
19th.
so and so dates. Post up. As the prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioners, comma, leaves the cases as sought for and agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, on so and so. 19th. These are for orders.
Lordship,
Okay. Orders,
pleadings
19,
are-
19,
19.
19, not 20.
Lordship 19 if it's possible, because it will be, our pleading, the main lead case pleadings are completed. And if that case is decided, then the other two cases could be automatically decided. That's my prayer. 19.
yes, lordship, 19th will be,
Okay.
Well, so far as 55 is concerned, they're yet to file the affidavit in opposition that was recorded in the previous order. So that may.
we'll file in between, lordship. We'll file in between. We'll exchange.
Deeply
the
obliged.
Oblige, lordship.
May it please, your lordship.
Lordship, this matter was mentioned on Wednesday by Mr. Chaudhary and your lordship allowed listing today, but unfortunately it's not reflected in the list. The case is, we've got a writ petition number and the urgency is regarding development schemes in Gaon Panchayat. And the development planning committee is sitting tomorrow. If they sit and sanction and approve, then for 3 months, it'll be a challenge for us to reverse it.
It was for motion.
For motion, yes, your lordship. It was already numbered, it was for
Okay.
today. Oblige, your
May I-
lordship.
May I plead your lordship, in regards to item number 26, we have filed affidavit in opposition today. Your lordship, records may be called.
Okay.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 57 to 65, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, in item number 57, they have filed affidavit in opposition. They have served the copy yesterday.
50,
55 to 60, 57 to 65 supplementary.
Ah.
my lord. Yesterday, my lord, in item number 57, they filed an affidavit in opposition, the voluminous, my lord, I need to go through it. If lordship permits me taken after 2 weeks, my lord.
okay. Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, has sought, you are the petitioner in every case?
Yes, my lord.
Has sought for, and is granted, you want to file any reply?
Reply, my lord.
Okay.
It's 3 weeks, my lord.
As 3 weeks.
My lord.
Has sought for and is granted 3 weeks. To file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the responding authorities.
One case is lawsuit. Other cases they have filed lawsuit.
In 57, my lord.
Okay,
I cannot-
affidavit in opposition filed in,
Item number
WPC
57.
filed by the respondents in 57.
Loss.
Much obliged.
May I please your lordship?
K. Gogoi, learned standing, Central Government Council.
Lawsuit.
You are in all,
Lawsuit, most of them it was.
Okay. Central Government Council is present.
Much obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 38, lordship.
38.
38, lordship. Lordship, 4 weeks time may be granted to file our affidavit. I am for respond number 1 and 2, lordship.
Okay, 38.
38, your lordship.
4 weeks time you need for
Filing our affidavit, your lordship.
affidavit, what affidavit? Reply?
Affidavit in opposition, your lordship. I am for respond number 1 and 2,
Oh, 1 and 2.
lordship.
Okay, who is for the petitioner? You have
Lordship,
informed.
informed. Lordship.
Miss,
M. Burman on
M.
behalf of A. Gayan.
Miss M. Borman, Learned Counsel on behalf of Miss A. Gayan, Learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 1 and 2 has prayed for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the said respondents. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the other sides to make the prayer. Please the case accordingly after 2 weeks on the date 2 weeks later.
May it please your lordship, with regard to item number 35, your lordship, my senior Mr. T. Dury is out of station. The matter may be adjourned for a day, your lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
U. Bharadwaj.
Learned Counsel for the petition, the case is passed over for the.
Another prayer, your lordship, there is a similar matter, identical matter with the similar facts. It is listed before another court today. The matter may be taken
No,
together.
that how can I say?
All right, lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 30. Your lordship would not like to take up this matter. my lord.
Item
Maybe
number
30.
30.
It is tagged with
Okay.
item 29,
Oh.
but in 30,
I'll leave the cases before any other bench without me.
obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship, lordship, item number 9. Lordship, kindly adjourn this matter for a week, lordship. We need to take some instruction.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
D. Kalita.
D. Colita, Learned Counsel for the petition, the case is passed over for the day.
In respect to item number 18, lordship, I have taken consent of my brother, lordship, answer
18.
18, 180.
Okay,
I'm appearing for the petitioner, Lord.
Mr.
A. Ahmed, Lordship.
A. Ahmed. Petitioner, present, Mr. K. Google and Central Government Council has paid for and is granted 4 weeks time to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents first up. List the case after 4 weeks. On a date लिखी दीजिए।
Daily list for motion, item 1.
May please, your lordship. My lord, this contempt petition is for non-compliance of order dated 7/3/25.
Part Mr. S. Mitra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. First of this contempt petition is preferred alleging non-compliance of the direction made in an order dated 7/3/2025 in WBC number 39P1/2024. It is averred that the order was duly brought to the notice of the respondents. First of issue notice returnable 4 weeks steps by speed post within 3 working days from today.
Obliged, my lord.
2.
Lordship, actually, there is the same kind of matter actually that.
Yes.
Lordship,
on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. This is the case. Mr.
A.R. Pal.
A.
R. Pal.
Alpal, petitioner, D.P. Bora, Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department for all the respondents as sought for
734.
agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, leaves the case on 6, which date?
Wednesday.
11.
Item 3.
Maybe for time being, my lord. For timing. Obliged, my lord.
Item 4.
May please your lordship. My lord, this application is against an award, my lord. So I pray.
Okay, we admit.
Your lordship may issue notice of motion, my lord. But at the admission stage, it may be disposed of, my lord.
Hired Miss A. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, first of this writ petition is preferred to assail an order dated 7/1/2025 passed by the Industrial Tribunal Dibrugarh in reference case number 01/2022. Full stop. By the order dated so and so, comma, In the order it is so and so, the industrial tribunal has held that the domestic inquiry conducted against the petitioner by the inquiry officer
Against the, Malay represented by the SC case.
against the delinquent employee
Delinquent employee.
was done in compliance with the principles of natural justice. Post of issue notice returnable on so and so. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice by speed post. Or take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by speed post within 3 working days from today.
13-3.
Apply.
Records are required to be called for.
Yes, my lord, that.
The records of reference case number so and so be requisitioned.
I'm sorry, your lordship, item 3 was just passed. This matter, your lordship, basically, there's a contract of optical fiber laying in Silchar, your lordship. There's a particular place, it's 23 kilometers in total. Now, the petitioner was the person who was given the contract to do so. He did the initial 50% of the work has been done, 11.3 kilometers have been completed. Thereafter, there was a pipeline, gas and petrol pipeline was there, oil pipeline was there, so he could not complete. That part he wrote to the authorities, BSNL, that this could not be done because from the pipeline there has to be a minimum of 3 meters from the pipeline. So if it is done, then it will come in between the road. So he informed, twice he informed them. And secondly, another part was under the National Highway Authority of India. So that permission was also not taken. Then he wrote to the authorities concerned that kindly get the permission because I could not go ahead with the work. Then they issued a warning and ultimately rescinded the contract. Then, your lordship, what has happened? After the rescindment of the contract, they have already issued a NIT, new NIT, and he was bad because there was a clause that person who is already has been rescinded cannot apply. Anyway, that part also we are not on. Now the question, I am only calling for the amount that was. Now what has happened? After the rescindment, they have the authorities of the National Highway wrote a letter to me saying that this permission is not there, so you have to take permission. And again, the district commissioner, who is the nodal officer, he also wrote that yes, the permission was not taken for that part.
Which
So,
part?
The part where actually the under the National Highway Authority of India. Now, your lordship, what they have done in the new contract, it was underground cable because of the fact that you cannot go underground at that part where there is a pipeline, gas pipeline. Now they issued the NIT where they are giving it the overground cable, aerial. So whatever the petitioner has alleged, your lordship, is correct. And the rescinding of the contract is absolutely, your lordship, perverse and illegal and arbitrary. That point I'll show your lordship. First,
But it was in 25th April 2025.
yes, there was an issue. Initially, we came before this honorable court by filing a writ petition. My learned friend had filed it, but later on I came into that case. We found that actually the rescindment was not even challenged in that case. Therefore, ultimately, before Justice Borua, we have withdrawn it with a liberty to refile. That liberty was granted. Therefore, we have refiled it, but due to this.
Today is concerned, we can only issue notice.
Yes, is that much only. That much.
Heard Mr. Y.S. Mandan, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss Riel Singh. You are for? Okay. Standing counsel. NHIDCL for the respondent number 7. Full stop. Any central government council? Okay.
BSNL.
Hmm. The petitioner who was awarded a contract work petitioner was awarded a contract work of contract work, optical fiber cable construction work. Where is the work order?
Work order, your lordship will find at page 68.
On 7/3/2024. After a bidding process. 68.
Lordship,
Full stop.
the work order is 72, 72. Work order is 72. 68 is the permission.
The optical fiber laying construction work was in a stretch of 23 kilometer between Silchar, Darga, Kona, OFC route. Full stop. The case of the petitioner is that after completing a part of after laying the optical fiber for a stretch, he had faced obstacle in the form of oil pipeline and
Gas pipeline.
gas pipeline in a portion, full stop, in another portion, in a portion of 23 kilometer, full stop. In another portion, due to the national highway, he could not lay the optical fibers, full stop. The matter was informed duly to the appropriate authorities.
Page 82, your lordship.
Full stop. But
82 and 84.
the employer on 25/4/2025 had arbitrarily rescinded the contract. Full stop. Thereafter, by issuing a press NIT on
Press NIT was issued, your lordship, on 5/8/2025.
5/8/2025.
Page 96.
In the remaining portion of the 23 kilometer stretch, full stop. The further case of the petitioner is that when he was awarded the work order, the optical fiber was to be laid underground, full stop. But in the press NIT, the condition of it is overground.
Page 96.
Overground.
It is aerial. Overground.
Aerial. But in the phrase NIT, the condition has been changed. And now the optical fiber is to be laid aerially, full stop. As the another grievance of the petition is that he has not been paid the amount for the works he had already completed. First of issue notice returnable on so and so. As missing 7, no formal notice. Steps up in the respond number 1 to 6.
No, there.
Yes, sir.
Names are shown.
1 to, okay, Mr. Bukolial is there. Bukolial to he was junior government advocate. 5. So 1 to 4 and 6.
Yes.
Or no, the petition, counsel for the petition shall serve a copy of the writ petition along with annexer to the Deputy Solicitor General of India for service of notice on the response number 1. Next clickable steps 2, 3, 4, and 6 by speed post 3 working days.
No, their name has been shown and SC, BSNL and NHIDL is being shown.
Who is
Their name is, that means copy has been.
who is BSNL?
I'll serve the copy, Your Lordship. Lordship may indicate that, I'll serve them a copy.
Okay, Asaduddin হেৰি কৰিব similarly যেনেকে Deputy Solicitor General of India বুলি কোৱা আছে তেনেকে Standing Council BSNL for 2, 3, 4
Yes.
steps upon response number 6 by speed post 3.
Obliged.
13-3.
My lord, this is
Yes.
regarding contractor's bill, my lord, an amount of rupees 7,03,000.
Heard Mr. K. Uddin, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Gugoi, learned additional advocate general.
All.
Assam for all the respondents. First off, the petitioner has approached this court by the present instant petition, stating that he had completed a contract work awarded by the respondent authorities, first of yet an amount of rupees 7,03,083 rupees. Towards execution of the contract work has not yet been disbursed till date. First of issue notice returnable on so and so as Mr. Gugoi. For all, no formal notice, extra copies.
13-3. Item 6.
May I please, Lordship? In this case, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, were evicted from, my lord, from William Ghat area lordship, Raja Pukri 1 lordship, 3. My lord, during SR, my lord, ongoing SR lordship, their names here, my lord, uploaded in the draft, my lord, electoral rule, my lord, for 2026 lordship. My lord,
Who is
thereafter-
the main authority? Assam State Election Commission.
yes, lordship.
You are for them. Huh?
Election Commission of India,
Okay, who executes it?
Election Commission.
Assam State Election Commission is not involved. Not at all. Okay. Huh. Yes.
My lord, thereafter, lordship, a draft list was, my lord, prepared, my lord, on 17/12/2025, lordship. My lord, then, my lord, objection, my lord, claim and objection, my lord, period was fixed, my lord, up to, my lord, 22, my lord, December 2000, my lord, 25, lordship. My lord, during period, my lord, draft, my lord, was there, lordship. Our names were there, lordship. Now, my lord, thereafter, my lord,
On
during the,
22nd December, what happened?
my lord, the claim and objection was closed, lordship.
Okay.
Sorry, the January 2026, lordship. January 2026, lordship. My
Claim
lord,
and objections were closed.
Lordship. Now, we are not able to, my lord, submit Form 8, my lord, for transfer our vote, lordship. Because, my lord, that moment, lordship, the system does not allow, it was not enabled to, my lord, upload and submit the Form 8 for transfer, my lord, vote. After, my lord, eviction, they have been, my lord, residing, my lord, they temporarily in the local area, lordship, within the vicinity of the area, lordship. Now, during process of, my lord, SR, lordship, as the form, we are not, my lord, forms we are not allowed to be, my lord, uploaded for submission of, my lord, transfer petition, lordship. We could not do, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, on 20, lordship, 27/1, my lord, the forms were, my lord, Form 8 was enabled to be, my lord, uploaded, lordship. My lord, then we submit, my lord, tried to submit the Form 8, lordship. My lord, because, my lord,
What
already
is-
we are
What
evicted.
is Form 8?
Form 8 transfer, my lord.
Huh.
Transfer of vote, lordship. My lord, then it was in system, it was shown that some, my lord, objections were, my lord, submitted someone, my lord. Already petitions, applications were submitted by someone, lordship. We are not unpolitically motivated, my lord, applications were submitted, lordship. Then, my lord, our forms were not allowed to submit, my lord, by the system, lordship. My lord, suddenly on 27/1, my lord, we, my lord, verified, my lord, the epic numbers, lordship. Seen, my lord, nothing is there, lordship. No result is found. Lord. That means, my lord, everything is deleted from the system, lordship. This is our grievance, lordship. We submitted application, lordship. We are residing in the area in the vicinity of the, my lord, William Ghat. We should be heard, my lord. That was not done. Thereafter, another application, joint petition was submitted, my lord. The application, their phone numbers were also their lordship. My lord, we are not called. No notice was issued, my lord. It was deleted from the system, lordship. Now, my lord, this was done, my lord, in violation of the, my lord, section 21 and 22 of the, my lord, RP Act, lordship. And rules, my lord, what says, lordship? Notice should be there, my lord. My lord, hearing should be done, my lord. We were not, my lord, heard in any point, my lord, at any time, lordship. That is our grievance, lordship. Now, my lord, if my lord, our names are not, my lord, listed in the, my lord, final voter list, lordship, already, my lord, deleted, lordship, we are compelled to submit Form 6, lordship, Form 6 for the new voters, lordship. This is the complication. We may we may be allowed either to submit Form 8 or to remain, my lord, my lord, the voters in the earlier, my lord, evicted area, lordship. Then subsequently, we will submit Form 8, lordship.
Firstly, whether this revision IR or what is called it?
Special revision.
Is it a subject matter in before Supreme Court?
Lordship, the entire process is
Yes.
in challenge before the Honorable Supreme.
Whether there is any direction that because in some cases direction has been issued up to the High Court not to entertain.
But
We are doing it. So that is what I have asked.
My lord, that is, my lord, SIR, my lord. Special intensive revision, lordship. Before the Honorable Supreme Court. My lord, this is, my lord,
Now what is
special.
able to the state of Assam.
Which one?
Special revision.
Acha. Yes. Then
Lord.
yes.
Lordship may
Yes, sir, or SIR depends.
57 of the writ. Lordship, this is the notification for special revision. Notification dated 77/25. Lordship may come to point 12.
It starts from which page?
Starts from page number 48. Annexure 4.
48. Okay. Page 57. Yes.
Point number 12. Lordship. Decision on claims and objections. May I read? Decisions on claims and objections should be taken only after all of the following conditions are complied with. At least 7 days period has passed after list of claims and objections have been published on all of the following: website of CEO, notice board of ERO, notice board of polling station. Number 4, your lordship may. A personal notice has been served on the person whose name is proposed to be deleted in cases other than death cases. Number 5, at least a period of 7 clear days has passed after furnishing the list of claims and objections to political parties. Point B, ERO, AERO shall not quo moto delete any entry from the draft roll without giving a fair and reasonable opportunity to the persons concerned whose names have appeared in the draft roll. For the case of deletion on the basis of Form 7, existing regular instruction shall apply. Lordship. Lordship, here the petitioners are relying on page number 53, where they are trying to establish the case that their names have been deleted. Lordship, their names appear in the draft rolls. It is only when the final roll that will be published on 10th of February will there be conclusive proof that their names have been deleted, if at all they are deleted. Just by Annexure 7, Lordship, it's not conclusive proof.
Which Annexure 7? What is page?
153. And here they've just,
What is 153? This
Lordship,
one?
here they've checked online. They say they've checked online
Huh.
through their Epic card number, and they
Ah.
say that no records have been found.
Huh.
So this is just an apprehension that their names will not be part of the final rule. They are apprehending it, premature. And Lordship, there
What?
are also appeal provisions that are given in the notification.
That's just so.
The appeal
Okay.
provisions are
আমার যে deposit
58.14.
58.14.
14. May I read?
Huh.
Appeals under section 24 of the Representation of People Act 1950. An appeal shall lie from any decision of the ERO, the district magistrate under section 24A of the RP Act 1950, and second appeal under section 24B against the decision of the first appellate authority shall lie to the CEO in the manner prescribed under Rule 27 of the Registration of Electoral Rules 19. If at all, Lordship, their names are deleted, Lordship, they have an appeal system. Statute also provides for an appeal system.
It is statutory appeal.
Lordship,
Let us see the statutory appeal.
Section 24. First appeal will lie before the chief election officer, and the second or before the chief electoral officer.
Huh.
If they have.
Section 23(1). It is clear.
Lordship.
Any person whose name is not included in the electoral roll of a constituency may apply to the electoral registration officer for the inclusion of his name in that roll. Thereafter,
If he passes an order. Lordship,
passes an order that order is appealable order.
Appealable, my lord. That is after final, my lord, list, Lordship.
Then
Final
why,
list is not. my
why
lord,
there is a
Now
specific
we are against, my lord. We are against, my lord, deletion from the, my lord, system, my lord.
relation it is not yet finalized.
Now,
Not
all
yet
other, my lord,
finalized.
what I am submitting, Lordship, except, my lord, the persons evicted from that area, Lordship, all other persons, my lord, names have been, my lord, in the system. My lord, what is the, my lord, problem? But our names are not in the system.
Come to page 57.
Sorry, Lordship.
Come to page 57.
Yes,
12B.
yes, Lordship. My lord, married Lordship. AERO shall not so much to delete any entry from the draft rule without giving a fair and reasonable opportunity to the persons concerned whose names have appeared in the draft rule for that case of deletion on the basis of Form 7 existing regular instructions shall apply, Lordship. Now, my lord,
Roman 4. 12A
Yeah.
Roman 4.
Lordship, a personal notice has been served on the person whose names is proposed to be deleted in cases other
So
than
there is
death
a
cases.
procedure prescribed. Procedure prescribed.
Procedure is prescribed,
And,
Lordship.
and there is a statutory remedy of appeal. And these are procedural things.
My lord, we are not hurt in any manner, Lordship.
Then
No
you have
notice
a-
was issued, Lordship.
How can
My lord, the next 5 years, at least a period of 7 clear days has passed after furnishing.
if
Lord.
they do not
No, nothing.
comply with that,
No notice was issued, Lordship. Now, my lord, as the already draft list, Lordship, one names have been, my lord, deleted from the draft list from the system, Lordship.
draft list,
Final list has
where
not
is the
been.
draft list?
The draft, the names are reflected, they've annexed.
Now, as on today, if it is there in the system, my lord, I have nothing to say. I'll withdraw the petition, Lordship.
No.
My lord, learned
Oh.
trained, my lord, let him show, my lord, only our, not only our names, all other people's names are not, my lord, in the system, Lordship.
No, you
Why
stick-
our names have been,
You stick to your case.
Lordship? Only petitioners' names have been, my lord, deleted from the system.
This timeline is what?
in the
27, integrated draft electoral rule, 27/12/2025, right? That was published. Their names are there or not? Then,
My lord, no, record is not, my lord, found, my lord. No order is there, lordship. How, my lord, you can, my lord, file appeal, lordship?
Lordship, their names are part of the draft rule, Your Lordship.
which is the draft rule? Which is the draft rule annexed here?
My lord, Annexure 6, lordship.
Huh. That is the annexure 6. What is the statement of fact connected therewith in the writ petition?
Lordship. Annexure 6, lordship.
Which paragraph?
Lordship, paragraph 15, lordship.
Lordship, they also state that their names are reflected in the draft. Paras 50.
Are
page
reflected.
9.
Are reflected.
Lordship,
Subsequently, it was deleted from the.
No, no. Don't. If your grievance is imaginary or not, we are examining it. But so far as, see the timeline. See the timeline now.
Yes, lordship.
This might be on 27/12/2025. Now let us see the notification again.
we will find it at page 40.
Page 49.
Lordship,
Serial number 4, publication of integrated draft electoral roll. Right? Your names are there.
Our names.
Your names are
Yes,
there.
lordship.
Yes or no?
My lord, where?
Yes or no?
Yes, lordship.
Yes. Please tell me.
Lordship.
First, yes or no. Thereafter,
Yes.
make submission,
Yes,
right?
lordship.
So thereafter, what is the procedure? Suppose after appearance of the names of the voters in the draft electoral roll, so how it is finalized? What are the
Lordship, there
procedure?
are 3 forms, form number 6, 7, 6.
So where is the provision that in the notification regarding draft?
Point number 9, page number 50.
Point number 9, integration and publication of draft roll. The time of publication of draft roll. And you will integrate and amalgamate updated reference to so and so. So any inclusion can be opposed by filing
Form 7.
form, no, every objection to the proposed inclusion of name in Form 6 or application for deletion of name in existing rules shall be in Form 7. Right? So far petitioner did not submit any form, right? For deletion of their names.
They
Huh.
are apprehending somebody else has filed form 7 for deletion of their names, but they have not even annexed that form 7 before your law. It's mere apprehension. In the joint objection to the proposed form 7 lordship, we'll find that in page 156. Paragraph number 2. This is the joint objection they've given to the ERO, your lordship. Objection to Form 7,
Page.
156. The subject says joint objection against any Form 7. And para number 2, the last line, a copy, however, we have come to know that some third parties have submitted Form 7 objections against our name. A copy is enclosed here,
Where is the copy?
not here.
Where is the copy, Mr. Ahmed?
Huh? Right now, Lordship, not produced, Lordship. My lord, right now it
Huh?
is not with me, Lordship.
You are aware somebody
No.
has filed
My lord,
an
system-
objection?
Yes, Lordship.
No, a copy enclosed here, which means
E-copy.
it is with you. No doubt about it.
My lord, the screenshot copy was there, Lordship.
What?
Screenshot, my lord. In the screen, my lord,
Let us
on SARS,
show-
Lordship, it was there. Lordship.
Please.
My lord, it is
let us
right
have a
now, my
look.
lord. It is not with me, Lordship. Asin ko. My lord, right now.
If you are aware and you have filed an objection, then what is the procedure?
Then.
Let us see from the. They are aware that
Lordship.
an objection was filed and they have also
Objection.
submitted a written objection to it. Then what is the procedure?
Point 12, page number 50.
Point 12, page number 50.
Point number 4, a personal notice has been served on the
Huh?
person whose name is proposed to be deleted.
Ito.
Now, they themselves have gone there
Inam.
and submitted objection.
My lord,
Right. They themselves have gone there and submitted an objection before whom?
Before the ER,
ER. Now, ER will pass an order.
we'll issue notice first, then opportunity of hearing,
Ah.
and then order, which is an appealable order.
Then you were quite aware, 156.
My lord, this is my lord, a screenshot, my lord, my lord, screenshot, my lordship. This type of, my lord, the message, my lord, was found in the, my lord, system, lordship. No details is there, lordship, nothing, my lord. Who has filed, what is there, my lord, nothing is there, lordship. No details is not there. My lord, one name is
Pranav
address is
Hatimuria.
not there.
Pranav Hatimuria has filed.
Now, as per my lord, point 11, lordship, display. Well, point 1156, page 56, lordship.
So detailed procedure in page 57.
Yes, lord.
That once in a draft rule, the names have appeared. Then an objection is supposed filed under Form 7. Right?
Lordship.
Then the procedure is 12.
Yes, lordship.
Then till now, if no personal notice has been served
Lordship.
and ERO will not suo moto delete. Now, what is the procedure in case Form 7 is received? No. 12B, last line. For a case of deletion on the basis of Form 7, existing regular instructions shall apply. What is the existing regular?
Personal notice and hearing.
Where is that? Now, here is a case, it is not suo moto.
That's-
There is an objection according to the petitioner.
that's-
Then existing regular instruction, what is the procedure?
Lordship. Lordship, you will find it in section 22, Lordship, of the RT Act 1950, the proviso. Last slide.
22.
Lordship.
Even
Correction.
revision for consider on application made to him or in his own money is satisfied with the only you can have that any. Yes, procedure is laid down. If not followed, he will be entitled to appeal. It is clear.
My lord,
Statutory provision is there and we know what is the election procedure and what is the electoral role.
my
The
lord,
court role is limited. As on now, there is no grievance.
my lord,
There is nothing for apprehension.
for a moment, lordship, for a moment, kindly see the proviso, lordship, proviso of section 22, lordship.
I have already read, I will not read twice.
Operation.
I have understood with taking full time.
Lordship.
Then thereafter you read paragraph section 24. Any order under section 22 or 23 is subject to appeal. Thereafter second appeal.
Order is not there.
Second appeal. Order will come, definitely not. Why not will come? Then that is clear violation of law.
Yes, lordship.
Then it is a appeal. Thereafter second appeal. Thereafter read petition. Don't short circuit.
Yes. Then we may be allowed to file appeal, lordship.
As soon
With
as
that
the order is
observation,
passed,
with
that
that-
when constitution and this
What?
act is there, why permission is required for
With
the
that
court?
observation may be disposed of, course. With that observation, it may be disposed.
Not yet passed. Any order is to be passed, right?
My lord, my grievances may be,
That has not
Yet to be
Because
completed.
no
Yet-
order has been passed till date.
Yeah.
If at all there is an order.
either under 22 deleting your name or 23 including your name. Both are appealable orders. Thereafter, second appeal. Yes, thereafter, writ petition. You know, when a specific remedy of appeal is available, then that appeal must be there. 226 should not be entertained. And secondly, that order is yet to come.
well, that is why I am submitting, lordship.
That is why.
Why we have come before you, lordship, my lord. One, my lord, my learned friend is of that area, lordship, Lakhimpur district, lordship. This is his epic status, lordship.
You are Golaghat, mister. You are Golaghat.
Lakhimpur district, lordship, not here, that area.
You are from Golaghat.
My lord, no, my lord, Lakhimpur, lordship. My lord, Lakhimpur district, lordship. This is my lord epic status, my lord. It is shown, my lord, whose names are not deleted, my lord. No, nothing is there, lordship. This is my lord found, my lord. It will come, lordship. Now we are under apprehension that as the
No,
system,
we are not, why Lakhimpur will look into. Your order has not come.
lordship, order has not come. Yes, lordship.
Yes.
But where have come? Because of my
And
lord, only
thereafter,
our names have.
before passing any
Yes.
order, an opportunity is to be given. If it is no opportunity is given,
Yes, Lord.
it is clearly an order which is likely to be set aside.
Lordship,
Because if no opportunity is given of being heard,
lordship.
then order is clearly bad,
Yes, lordship.
which is yet to come.
Lordship.
This repetition is premature.
My lord, our grievances.
No
may be
order
very-
under section 22 has yet been
Yes.
passed.
Well, after our apprehension may be stated in the repetition order, lordship. Maybe my observed lordship, it may be disposed of. in that
We
manner.
should notice you in the event anything is passed, you
Yes.
prefer appeal.
Lordship, yes.
Heard Mr. M. H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, who is for whom? Mr. K. Goyal, learned central government counsel for the respondent number 1. Miss
5 and 6.
Miss
Certificate.
S. Kotoki, learned standing counsel, Election Commission of India for the respondent number 2, 3.
5 and 6.
5 and 6. Mr. M. Chetty and Junior Government Advocate Assam for the response number 4. Post of the petitioners have approached this court apprehending that their names are not likely to be included in the final electoral roll, which are going to be published on 10th of February 2026. Post of. The petitioners have stated that their names have been included in the draft electoral roll already published on 27/12/2025. Post of. The petitioners have come to know that an objection under has come to know in the course of special revision, an objection has been filed in Form 7.
Lordship.
In Form 7 by certain individual, and having learned about the same, they have already filed an objection, joint objection, representation before the electoral registration officer, Golaghat, and the electoral registration officer is yet to pass an order. Full stop. The petitioners have further stated that when they searched for their names when they tried to, when they made efforts to see their names in the portal or website or what?
CI Net website.
CI Net, ECI
Net
website, they could not get any knowledge about any process of deletion or inclusion of their names in the electoral rolls. Full stop. On search, they found that the website is not giving any details, right?
Lordship.
Giving any details. Full stop. Ms. Photogil and Standing Council, ECI has submitted that the process of inclusion or deletion of names from the electoral roll is not only governed by the procedure laid down in the notification dated 17/11/2025 within bracket Annex 2 to the 4 to the writ petition bracket close of the Election Commission of India, but the provisions of Section 22 and Section 23 are also of the Representation of the People Act 1950 are also applicable. Full stop. Means it is submitted that any order of deletion of names on the basis of any complaint under section for any deletion of name of any of the person whose name has appeared in a draft electoral roll, a prior opportunity of being heard is to be afforded by the electoral registration officer, and thereafter an order can be passed under Section 22 of the RP Act 1950. First off, an order passed either under Section 22 or Section 23 is appealable under Section 24 of the RP Act. And there is a further provision for preferring a second appeal under
24B.
24A small, and there is a provision for a second appeal under Section 24B. Full stop. With such submissions, it is stated that as no order has yet been passed under section 22 of the RP Act by the electoral registration officer, the writ petition is premature. Full stop. Issue notice returnable on so and so steps. Accordingly, all appears. Extra copies. 3 working days.
9-3.
My lord, one thing, lordship, the ERO, my lord, Soropathar constituency,
Huh?
Soropathar LLC.
Okay.
ERO Soropathar
Draft
LLC.
electoral rules তাতে লিখি দিব
Not Golaghat.
publish for
ERO Soropathar LLC.
okay Soropathar LLC
Yes.
Soropathar LLC
Yes, lordship. Not
so you wait for that you wait for
lordship, yes.
7.
Or like that.
May I please, lordship? This matter relating to settlement of Ghat lordship.
Ghat.
My lord, settlement has been made in favor of the private respondent.
private respondent.
My lord, the
1
challenge
minute.
made primarily on the ground that both the respondent number 8 and the petitioner submitted offer the same bid value. As per lordship terms and condition of the NIT, there should be lottery. But that was not done. And settlement has been made on the ground that he has submitted more documents comparatively to the petitioner.
Where is the clause regarding lottery?
My lord, page 15, your lordship may kindly see. Start
Is 15.
16.
Where is the original one?
Origin, yes, lordship. Please. Page 22, lordship.
22 clause
13, 1-3.
13 ক
Four.
যদি কোনো হারে একবারকে যদি অন্যান্য okay now where is the
Yes, your lordship may kindly come to page 28.
28
And relevant lordship page 29.
29
Altogether, 6 bidders were there. Serial number 1 to 4 were rejected on the ground that insufficient documents and some other grounds. And serial number 5 and 6, settlement made in favor of 6. Your lordship may.
you are Mr. Ismail
Yes.
You are-
Ismail is the petitioner.
serial number 5
5.
submitted court fees so and so 8,000 and 6 is R respond number
8.
8 Iman Ali
My lord.
okay both 8,600 then
Page 30, your lordship may see the ground for settling the Ghat in favor.
when it happened where is the settlement order
My lord, settlement order is at page 40.
oh September and why you have come so late
Yes, some late is there, lordship, but
you
prima facie lordship, there is
right but at this stage why should we this stuff you bring him on then we'll do the needful will Mr. otherwise
Otherwise, my lord, if lordship will give, my lord, the statement, my lord, comparative statement as 6 and 37. Serial number 1, my lord, is
Iman Ali is Iman Ali is petitioner or respondent
petitioner.
petitioner.
petitioner
And
Iman Ali
next page, serial number 5, it is the private respondent.
R8
Yes, ma'am. All the bidders, my lord, they have failed to submit numbers of documents, my lord, including insurance of the board, my lord.
Iman Ali
My lord, these
GPAP tax clearance sorry EPC EPC or EFC no non-incumbents no NOC from co-partner no fitness certificate no insurance no certificate engine or I don't know survey report no DL of driver no Then this man,
My lord, all the requisite documents we have
okay, issue notice. Hired Mr. M. Khan Lal,
My lord, this
counsel
is
for the-
contrary to the provision because this comparative statement is
We'll examine
contrary
you.
to the resolution.
Mr. We'll get the records. Hard. Will not go for such a serious stay for 8,690 rupees
Yes.
after 6 months. Might interfere, but not at this stage. Because it is not that neither you nor he, both are deficient.
Both are.
M. Khan Lal, counsel for the petitioner. S. Dutta, Standing Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department to the respondent number 1,
1,
2,
2, 4, 6, and 7.
6 and 7. Mr. M. Setia, Learned Junior Government Advocate. 3. Who is 5?
5 my lord, standing committee may represent the president.
Okay. Extra copies. My issue notice. The petition, the petition has assailed an order of settlement dated 1/9/2025, whereby Eghat, Dewa Nerelenga to Beparipara Selo Ghat via Suksar has been settled in favor of the respondent number 8 for a period from 1/9/2025 to 30/6/2026.
Yes.
At a settlement amount of rupees 8,690. Full stop. It is a case of the petitioner that, as per clause 13A of the tender notice, when two bidders offer same bid value, then the successful bidder is to be chosen by toss of coin. Full stop. The said procedure was not adopted in selecting the respondent number 8, whereas the petitioner had also offered a bid value of rupees 8,690. Issue notice returnable on so and so, as so and so has appeared accepted. Steps upon baki duta likhi dibo, speed post. 3 working days. Mr. Dotto shall make endeavor to obtain the relevant records of settlement to place it before for perusal of the court.
God bless you.
11 free. Item A. Your Lordship, it is a case of voter, Your Lordship. I may be permitted to conduct the case. My name is not there, Your Lordship. On behalf of JMU Lashkar.
Yes.
A doubtful voter, neither they are referring the matter to the.
Is there any order
Covered by Annex
Okay.
7. Annex 7 is their division bench judgment.
some single bench order?
Annex 7, relevant page is 37, Your Lordship. Bottom portion, bottom paragraph. In the light of the above, we direct respondent number so and so, chief election officer and deputy commissioner district to take necessary consequential decision in respect of the petitioner after making necessary investigation, including giving an opportunity to the petitioner with intimation to the petitioner within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order. Compliance report is submitted to the order. The division bench. So let them take a decision in either way, Your Lord.
I have seen in it, just while flipping through the pages, I go to the case procedure, to election commissioner. There is something in that notification. I have seen just while flipping through the pages. Yeah, he will have case I tell Heard Mr. R. Mojumdar, learning counsel for the petitioner. You are Central Government Council. Home Department. Huh? 2 and 8. Or 2 and 8, not FT, okay. Mr. K. Gogoi, learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 1. Miss S. Dole, learned. Okay, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. J. Payang, learned standing counsel NRC and FT. NRC and FT. And home. Home on NRC and FT. So the respondent number 2. And 2 and 8. Miss S. Kotoki, Learned Standing Counsel, Election Commission of India for the respondent number 3. And 6. Mr. M. Chetia, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam for the respondent number 5 and 7. Close to Para. The case of the petitioners is that which year?
1997 onward.
1997. Our SP is respondent number 8.
8 you're okay.
Which district?
Nagaon.
What is the constituency?
But is 91 number Samuguri LSC.
Silo, huh? We wrote to Silo. The voters shall be carried forward to the draft electoral roll without any change. Any modification, including removal or deletion, shall be made only upon receipt of an order from the competent foreigners tribunal or an appropriate court of law.
Yes.
New in the
Yes.
special revision.
Yes. After
Okay.
the order of the FT or
Okay. A reference to the foreigners tribunal.
either way.
If it is not there, no question. Similar order passed
Public.
in all other cases.
Publish your. Item number 10.
My lord, contractual bill, it is admitted, my lord. I have annexed the statement.
12, 13 walk loss.
My lord, an admitted amount, my lord.
Admitted by whom? Chief
an RTI
engineer.
Yes,
Chief engineer.
executive engineer, my lord.
That is not Tamsir
Not now. And 12, 13 walk order loss.
It is against Tamsir Ali. Yes. Yes, Mr. Issue notice. Which is the amount?
Here, my lord, I
I
have some
am-
works. It is a
That is no,
In the prayer portion, no.
nothing, yeah, in synopsis, nothing, nothing.
Prayer
But I have-
portion, nothing.
But
Then synopsis.
Nothing.
at page number 9, my lord.
Huh?
Tabular form I have
Paragraph 6 loss.
6. Two works in the same scheme, my lord, by the same person, my lord. And
Why? You make a mention in the prayer portion, heard Mr. M. A.I. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. N. Upaidhya, learned standing counsel,
Irrigation.
irrigation department for all the respondents.
All that.
Full stop. The petitioner has approached this court stating that in respect of two work orders issued to him on 1/12/2014 and 10/9/2014, he had completed the work successfully and submitted the bills for an amount of rupees for rupees 1,47,300 and rupees 1,62,700 respectively. Full stop. But till date, rupees 51,527 and rupees 86,932. That is add kore dibo. In respect of say two contract works are yet to be disbursed to the petitioner, hence the petition issue notice returnable on so and so, as Mr. Upaidhya has appeared accepted. Full stop. Extra copy. Mr. Upaidhya shall obtain instruction as regards the entitlement of the petitioner, if any, and to place the same before this court on the returnable bill.
16-3.
12 is also same scheme, scheme another person.
Paragraph,
Here also, my lord, paragraph
no prayer, no synopsis.
6. Next time, I will
Huh?
take, my lord. Next time I will.
Paragraph 5.
No,
So
speak-
you want to make the court work more
Page number
than
9, my lord.
necessary.
Page number 9, my lord.
No, চাই ল'ব work order টো হ'ব ইয়াতে, চাই ল'ব paragraph 5 আছে যিটো 10/9/2000 15 to 2014 or contract amount 1,95,000 balance amount এটা আছে page 9 ভুল নকৰিব।
Hello.
Item 11.
এইটো কিমান নম্বৰ আছিল? 12।
Lordship, this matter pertains to non-tender contextual use, Lordship. Work was completed on 1/3.
How much?
2023. 16 lakhs, Lordship.
Okay. BK Gogoi.
81,695.
BK Gogoi for the petitioner. Miss S. Setia, standing counsel. Fishery. Okay, Fishery Department for the respondent number 1 to 5. M. Chetia. 6 and 7. agreed by non-disbursement of an amount of a sum of rupees. Prayer high against execution of a contract work. Para sheet আছে. Allotted to the petitioner, my contract work, allotted to the petitioner by work order dated number আছে under so and so. The petitioner has preferred the instant writ petition seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to disburse the said amount, issue notice, returnable on so and so. As so and so appeared, extra copies. You are there? Okay. Okay, in the name of Learned Standing Counsel, the Revenue Department is to be deleted from the respondent side in the call list. Oblige.
13.
May I plead the lordship? My lord, the petitioner is aggrieved by one arbitrary clause, tender condition of the tender notice, my lord. Your lordship will find that clause at page 16, my lord.
Is 16.
Dhing Municipal Board has issued two tenders, identical tender, my lord, with identical clause, my
Tender
lord.
notice, page 14.
Tender notice starts at page 14, my lord, and the impugn clause at page 16, 5B, my lord. The petitioner is 16. The petitioner is agreed with this clause, my lord. My lord, the clause says if more than L1 bidders, A is also relevant, my lord. The maximum permissible lower limit of the bid rate shall be 5% below the estimated. If more than L1 bidders are found, that is 5% below, then
Yes, Mr. Gugoi. Any idea? You're a party here.
It is issued by the Dhing Municipal.
What do you say? What is your take on it?
Tender condition which is applicable to all the parties.
But this is a matter of choice rather than a rational criteria or objective criteria. Rational criteria could be a toss of coin.
yes, my lord.
And otherwise, objective criteria is the contractor who has more experience,
Yes, my
or
lord.
class 1,
Turnover,
or
experience,
turnover,
experience.
income tax returns,
Yes,
something
my lord.
objective
Yes.
or rational, toss of coin, a
But
choice of.
now the condition is pleasing the chairman and other councillors.
If the amount was there, no confidence on other things similar like.
Yes, my lord.
Cannot go on.
That cannot.
This has to.
Done through it, otherwise that cannot.
That cannot. I have not also gone through it.
If they have,
See, if there is a limit, lower limit,
Yes, my lord.
what is that?
Clause A, my lord. The maximum permissible lower limit of the rate contract shall be 5%. Page 16, my lord, 5A.
Then
he should.
there will be, there could be 10 bidders.
Yes, my lord.
Everybody knows that we have to make the bid 5% below.
5%.
They have the choice.
The right person.
Yes, my lord.
Heard,
This should be good.
Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. One petitioner?
Yes, my lord, one petitioner. He is a class 1 APWD registered contractor, my lord.
And Mr. A. Gogoi, Learned additional senior government advocate for the respondent number 1 and 2. First stop. The petitioner is before this court assailing clause 5 within bracket small b of two tender notices, comma dated 20/01/2026 and both dated 20/01/2026.
Number is
On the ground that the condition incorporated the term for selection of L1 bidder, the term incorporated in clause 5B. Procedure incorporated in clause 5B of the tender notices for selection of the L1 bidder is arbitrary. First, issue notice returnable on so and so. As Mr. Gugoi, 1 and 2. No formal notice, extra copies. Petitioner shall take steps. T4. T4 and 5, huh?
Yes.
By, you appear for 5 also, no?
No, stand for 1 and 2.
T4 and 5 by speed post. Within 3 working days from today. First up, by the tender notices. Third, the land council for the parties also on the interim period. First up, by the tender notices, sealed tenders have been invited from registered APWD contractors within bracket class dash Roman 3 and above for a total of
21, my lord.
21 number of works, and the last date of bid submission is 9/2/2026. First off, as per the tender notices, the bid should be opened on 10/2/2026. First off, as per clause 5A of the tender notices, the maximum permissible lower limit of the bid rate shall be 5% below the estimated cost, which are mentioned in the tender notices. Full stop. As per clause 5B, if more than 9 L1 bidders are found within bracket, i.e. 5% below bracket close, then the tender finalization shall be mandatorily require the signatures of the chairman along with at least 5 ward commissioners, including the concerned ward commissioner. Full stop.
There are
On-
total 11 award commission.
But it is stated, any mention is there.
Yes, my lord.
Any mention is there. That 11.
My lord, it is not mentioned, but
Ah.
I have received
Okay.
the inspection.
On perusal of clause B with clause 5A together, the procedure for selection of L1 bidders is primacy, suggestive of a matter of choice of the elected members rather than on any objective or rational criteria. First of all. In such view of the matter, it is ordered, in the interim, the respondent think municipal board authorities may proceed with the opening of the bids as per the scheduled date, 10/2/2026. But no final decision for award of tender in respect of any of the contract works, 21 number
Yes, my lord.
of contract works shall be finalized till the returnable date. You file
9-3.
Dusty also.
Yes, my
Dusty
lord.
also.
Yes,
Ah, Dusty লিখি দিব তাতে।
There was all the tender.
my lord, the date is up to 9th, my lord.
You intend to participate?
Yes, my lord, I am intend to participate. I am eligible, my lord.
পুস্তক আর আগতে লিখক। Otherwise, we will not stall others.
Yes,
If nobody is coming for challenge, why should we?
Yes, my lord.
Ultimately, it is public works.
Yes, my lord.
Participated bid lots.
Yes, my lord.
The learned council, তাৰ আগত লিখিব দেই। একদম আগত। Heard the learned council for the parties, huh? Next line লিখিব। The learned council for the petition has submitted that the petition, being a class 1,
Class 2, C registered contract, APWD registered contractor.
class 2,
2, class 2,
চাই লওক ইয়াতে পেৰাগ্ৰাফত আছে।
paragraph 2.
Registered APWD contractor, comma, intends to submit his bids in as many for a number of works mentioned in the tender notices. এইখিনি থাকিল। এতিয়া তলৰ পিনে shall not finalize, shall not take any final decision for award of the works in respect of those contract works advertised wherein the petitioner is a participant.
Yes, my lord.
Only that.
Yes, my lord. That will do.
And this agreement is for 1 year.
1 year, and it
Ah.
should have been renewed, your lord.
11 months.
11 months. Somewhere it is 1 year, somewhere it is 11 months. See, first page 21, second para, it is 11 months
Yes, my lord.
from the date of signing of the agreement, right? Then agreement signed on 8 January. There it is mentioned as page 24. Shall remain effective for 1 year.
But page,
Agreement may be renewed after 1 year.
but page 26 says, my lord, page 26, cross for para 14, my lord.
Inconsistent
Yes, my lord.
clauses. Whatever, let us assume for 1 year, that is over.
Over.
7 January 2021, 7 January 2026. Okay.
Your lordship may kindly come to
Thereafter,
page 29, annexure 6. Here the conditions were laid down at the time of floating the tender. The relevant part, your lordship,
new one or old
old
one?
one, your lordship,
Old one.
old one,
Hmm.
where she had emerged as the successful bidder. Page 30, your lordship, paragraph number 4.
Page 30.
Page 30, paragraph number 4.
But this was not entered into.
Lordship, the
This
conditions.
was not executed.
This was not executed, but the conditions at the time when the tender was floated, it was clearly written that the contract will be operative for a period of 2 years from the date of award. But
Okay.
it can be extended for another 1 year. And that agreement was entered as because the amount annual rent which ought to have been paid, it would have been revised annually, your lordship. For that purpose, that agreement was entered only for 1 year. However, the contract was for 2 years.
No, which one is executed? I think page 23 has been executed
Lordship,
because Annexure 5, page 22,
lordship,
this is the one which has been executed between the parties.
parties, lordship. And
Maybe renewed, but there is a renewal
renewal
provision.
provision. Yes,
Okay.
lordship. And that provision is as per the conditions which is laid out in the contract at the time of floating it, your lordship. That is mentioned in page 30.
Oh, that is there, but that has been deviated.
That has been deviated.
That has been deviated. Okay. Then amendment.
Then the
It was the current rate revised.
yes, your lordship, to 25,000, which
Hmm.
was duly paid by the petitioner without any default.
Then what happened?
And after that, your lordship, initially a fresh tender was floated for the canteen.
Which one? Page?
It is in page number, lordship. 35, Annexure 8.
35.
Here, your lordship, the conditions that is specified in page 36, clause 4, the contract will be operative for a period of 1 year. This tender is for 1 year, your lordship.
Now, what is the position now?
Your
What is the
lordship,
last date?
lordship, the tender was over, your lordship. The result was declared and respondent number 3 herein was declared as the successful bidder. We are not challenging the result of the bidding process, your lordship. Only our prayer is that the tenure which was mentioned in the conditions at the time of floating the tender, we must be allowed to just given 1 year time to run our canteen.
You did not participate in the second tender.
We have participated, your lordship.
You participated.
Yes, your lordship. That was on basis on the assurance given.
Then you participated.
failing.
After failing,
No,
you have come.
We are not here for lordship that we won the tender. We are not challenging the result, your lordship. Only our
No,
contention.
no, that your participation means that it is indicative of your choice that you with your eyes open, you have participated in the tender, meaning thereby your term has come to an end.
No,
Because the agreement, see, agreement, the tender notice at the time of NIT is different from the agreement you have entered into.
lordship.
Page 24, 23 is the agreement. I think 22 is the agreement. That is the agreement you have entered into with the respondents,
Lordship.
right? There is a renewal clause. You did not ask for renewal.
We have sought it for your lordship,
Where is that?
but it was verbal. We have approached verbally,
In that,
and they have assured us that because the contract was for 2 years,
that is not there, mister. That is a change.
and that
See, mister, this is a document, page 29, dated 31/12/2024.
lordship,
It was through GEM,
lordship,
Government Marketplace.
lordship,
There it was mentioned that it will be for 2 years.
lordship.
But when the actual thing came about and the settlement order has been passed, you see page 21 award, thereafter 7/1/2025, 11 months. It was mentioned and you accepted it. It was addressed to you, you accepted it. Then thereafter, this agreement that was entered into on 8th January 2025 mentioned that agreement shall remain effective for 1 year.
Lordship.
Then it is para 14 till 30th November 2025. Then para 15. Where is that? Read para 15.
That in case the second party is desirous of seeking extension of time to use the said premises, the second party shall inform its intention in writing to the first party at least 1 month prior to the expiry of the present agreement. The first party may at its sole discretion grant or refuse any such extension. If the party desires to extend the term of this agreement, such extension shall be on such terms and conditions as the first party may deem fit and just.
Now come to page 24. Read clause 1.
This agreement shall remain effective for 1 year and shall terminate automatically after 1 year from the date of its execution. The terms of this agreement during its tenure may be revised from time to time according to the necessity that may crop up during the progress of the contract by mutual consent. This agreement may be renewed after 1 year if required with suitable modifications on mutual discussions and consent, subject to satisfactory service by the second party during the currency of this agreement.
Mr. Borgohain, I am with you,
Lordship.
but your conduct, clause 15, you should have asked for a renewal.
Regarding
Had it been denied, you should have approached that my term has not been renewed arbitrarily.
Lordship, the paragraph,
Despite the renewal clause,
Lordship,
I am agreeable to suitable modification, but you participated in the second tender notice.
with regard to the paragraph number 15, that with regard to the written request to be placed before the authorities for extension of time, Your Lordship, I have mentioned in my writ petition, Your Lordship, we have approached the authority. However, they had asked us to participate in the process.
What to see, not knowing the law is not a defense.
Lordship.
I am with you, but your conduct of participation in the second tender process without, you could not have said premature termination because you should have asked for renewal to take a decision. Then thereafter, as soon as the second notice is published, that why my decision on renewal is not passed. And why the second notice?
If
But instead of you participated in the second notice.
So
That is an acquiescence.
Lordship, if Your Lordship,
You have waived your right.
if Your Lordship may kindly peruse paragraph 12 of my writ petition, page 8, Your Lordship. We have stated the condition on which we have participated, Your Lordship.
That is
Paragraph-
what is, see, what is cannot be said by things orally. Whatever is available from the record, that is a problem. You should have asked for renewal.
The petitioner, the widow, and she has
That
insisted-
is why I said I am with you, but the problem is that our hands are also tied. Your participation in the second tender notice without asking for any renewal.
we
There
had
was no
sought-
decision on renewal.
We had sought for verbatim verbal.
Where there is a problem. We can issue notice at this stage. Because
Have third party right here also.
that is there, then renewal was not asked for.
Yes.
And participation was there. That agreement would override the tender conditions.
Our small prayer is that after the completion of the second tenure, Your Lordship, 1 year, the award may be given to the respondent number 3, who was the successful bidder. We are not challenging his,
That is a problem. The challenge is problem, your conduct is problem. Despite there is no. Oh, you've been running it for last 2-3 years.
Lordship.
You have. Well, you should notice that this, nothing could be commented also. We will not comment anything. Heard. Because that will foreclose your right. Mr. H. Buragu, Land Council for the petition. And Mr. D.P. Bora, Land Standing Council.
For respond number 1 and 2.
Or respond number 1 and 2. Post of. The petitioner has sought. The petitioner was awarded a contract for providing canteen service in the premises of Cardiothoracic and Neurosciences Center within bracket CN Center, Guwahati Medical College Hospital by an order dated 7/1/2025. Post op. Seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to extend the term of the contract as originally envisaged in the tender notice dated 31/12/2024. The petitioner is before this court. First up, issue notice returnable on so and so. As Mr. Bora has appeared accepted. 1 and 2, no formal notice, extra copies. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice when the respondent number 3 by speed post within 3 working days from today. Now it is 84,000.
Lordship.
loss of public exchequer if I pass an interim order also. You
16
should have done it for renewal. There was a clause already.
Also, there's an apprehension, Your Lordship. The petitioner was directed to vacate the premises within 10 days, Your Lordship. So
Not
till the
possibly
next,
now. How
the
can
next
it-
returnable date, Your Lordship,
Huh?
till the next returnable date,
Ah.
she may be protected. Only so that she can arrange.
Till the award, if no award has been, no settlement order has been passed, till then. The petitioner has asserted that the petitioner is still running, still providing catering service, no?
Lordship, canteen service.
Catering service from the allotted space till date and has further claimed that pursuant to the second tender notice, the no award has been passed till date. Full stop. If no award has been passed till date, comma, and the petitioner is still providing the catering services from the allotted space, comma, the petitioner should be allowed, if right, should be allowed to run, to operate, to provide the catering services from the allotted space till the award is passed on the basis of the then the subsequent tender notice. Any date?
Yes, Your Lordship. 29/1/2026.
That much.
16-3. Supplementary list, item 56.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. This petitioner, my lord.
All are hailed, Mr. Bora.
Yes, all are health. But it is, now it is in Jorhat. It is Jorhat Medical College, my lord. My lord,
Health is not healthy or what?
not healthy, my lord. How it is, my lord, acting, I'll just place before your lordship.
Aha.
My lord, I am a registered, my lord, yes, MSME, my lord, contractor. And I am doing various, my lord, providing catering service to the various institution, my lord. I am a well experienced. And my lord, there is a bid document that is Annexa 1, page 23, my lord. In
Just
person.
a minute, just a minute. Bid document page
23, my lord.
23. Yes.
So in pursuance to that, my lord, we submit our tender, my lord, and my lord, it is, my lord, outsourcing of hostel, mess, diet, catering along with the cafeteria service at the Jorhat Medical College Hospital. So that is the name of the work, my lord. So in pre-bid meeting, my lord, date of the time of pre-bid meeting and one that is continuing all the, my lord, near about, my lord, 500 boarders in the hostel, my lord. All hostels and cafeteria. 3 hostels, ladies, PG and boys, and also
Three hostels.
3 hostels.
Three hostels.
Boys,
means
2 hostel, one is, my lord,
Women hostel.
main and one is PG.
Okay.
So we awarded the contract was,
He means 2 boys,
my lord, 2 boys.
2 boys
My lord,
and 1 girl.
1 girl,
3.
including, my lord, unresident undergraduate PG,
No, how many buildings are there?
3.
3, that's all.
Well, 3, my lord. 3 near about 500 boarders. So accordingly, my lord,
Is there any mention in the bid document?
my lord,
Where is that?
clarification, I'll go to that, my lord. Your lordship kindly see. And Annexa 2 is my page 113, that is my bid document. And I was technically responsible. There are 2 bidders.
Page,
Page, my lord, 2, Annexa 2, page 113.
113.
So that is my bid document, my lord.
Okay, bid document.
Bid
okay.
document. Then, my lord, your lordship kindly see, technically, my lord, 2 are responsible. There are 3 bid document, 3
Oh, where is that?
page 3, my page Annexa 3, page 118,
118.
my lord. one.
Okay, two.
Serial
Finance.
number 1 and serial number 3 are technically qualified.
Deltoid Construction Developer
And yes, I am
and Ranjit Pathak.
Ranjit
Kaushik.
Koshi. So my bid was, my lord, that financial bid pays 119 and except 4, my lord.
119.
So I was,
Rate of food per so and
Yes.
so. L1.
I was L1 bidder, my lord. So
L1.
I was,
Okay.
then my lord, some clarification was sought. That is Annex of 5, page 120. This is very important, my lord, page 120. Some query has been made. Then, my lord, I made my query reply. I will explain. Your lordship kindly see. We provide the price bid up to the item for as per diet menu in given below. Estimated daily 500 border which mentioned in the price bid.
Pre-bid.
Sorry, pre-bid meet. Pre-bid.
Ah.
So accordingly, my lord, for 500, I have quoted, my lord. So that was allowed. And accordingly, my lord, Annexure 6, page 122.
Award of contract.
Award of contract. That was, it was awarded to me, my
Written
lord.
that been approved by the on behalf of the so and so for a period of so and so per day per student. Your request to start principal service at JMCH. Later, you are also request to sign a deed of agreement within 15 days. Agreement means the sum of revenue security. Yes.
Then, my lord, your lordship kindly see page 28, my lord. Page 28 of the bid document, my lord.
28.
8, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 1, right hand column, middle column. Year, completion period. Completion period, my lord. 1 year on satisfaction of satisfactory performance and mutual consent from the both the parties. It may be extended for another 1 year.
Yes.
So it can be, my lord, extended for another year, my lord. So accordingly, my lord, I applied for extension, my lord. But before that, I have another, my lord, I have a contention I have to be submit here. Page 123, Annexure 7. Although, my lord, all the, my lord, hostels were allotted to me, but one boys' hostel was not given to me, my lord, not handed over to me, my lord. Not handed over. So I repeatedly request, my lord, request that I representation I am giving, page 123, my lord, Annexure 7. Boys' hostel mess has not been handed over to me. So that was, my lord, run by respondent number 4, my lord, who is not even a tenderer, nothing, my lord, but he is doing, my lord. Now, my lord, your lordship can see, I applied for extension and I will also handed over the boys' hostel also to me. So I
Boys hostel also?
also, but that which has not handed over to me. One boys' hostel was not handed over to me. So I request for extension as well as hand over the boys' hostel also. On the acting on my lord, that representation, they extended, my lord, Annexure 9. Annexure 9, my lord. Annexure 9, page 125, my lord. Extension notice. Your lordship kindly. This is your information that your service or respect of outsourcing of hostel mess diet catering along with the cafeteria service at the Jorhat Medical College Hospital, Jorhat, Assam is to be expired on 31/12/2025. In this connection, we would like to I like to request you to continue the service at the GMCH till the finalization of the new tender process that was issued on, my lord, 26/12/25. Although they have not mentioned about regarding handing over of, my lord, boys' hostel, but I am satisfied with that. I am continuing. On, my lord, 38, 38, my lord, your lordship kindly see that superintendent hostel superintendent telephoned me. He handed over to the all the catering service to the respondent number 4, my lord. So I am very surprised, my lord. Then I immediately submitted the representation. Page 135, my lord. 135. Because they are giving, sorry. $135. Stating everything that, my lord, what the hostel superintendent says. And ultimately, my lord, page 110, as your lordship got, page 125, 135,
135, okay.
135. Represents on seeking continuation of the girls' hostel mess in various school till final tender process. So till final process, my lord, because last para, my lord, of the page 135, although the tender of contact overall the all boys, girls and cafeteria building, however, the applicant was in practical permitted to operate only the girls' hostel mess and cafeteria building, while the boys' hostel was mess were never handed over. Despite the applicant having deposit full performance security being the contact being contextually entitled for operation of the same, my lord. Now, my lord, so next page, my lord, your 136, my lord, your lordship kindly say last but one para. Last but one para, my lord. In a most arbitrary and alarming manner, on 31/2026, the hostel superintendent of the girls' hostel orally informed me the manager of the applicant over telephone to vacate the handed over the girls' hostel to mess service to MS Rupam Das, so with immediate effect, without issuance of any written order, without assigning any reason, and without intention of initiation of any finalization of the lawful tender process. So after getting this, my lord, getting my application, my lord, they have issued a termination notice, my lord, that is your lordship 141. Cancellation of my extension, my lord, without hearing me, without giving any opportunity to me heard, my lord. Page 141.
There is a tender already.
No, my lord.
What is this?
This game tender, my lord, the process has been going on. No, if it is only for canteen, not all, my lord. But even then, my lord, your lordship kindly, my pair is what? My pair is for already my extension, whatever they have stated in my extension, my lord. My extension clearly still finalized by the tender process. All right, I may be allowed to at least continue that, my lord. So without hearing me, that my extension has been cancelled. Gem tender is, my lord, for canteen service. That is why I am annexed, my lord.
This is for what? This tender?
Page 126, my lord. Page 126.
This is not for boys or girls.
Not, my lord.
Cafeteria, no.
My lord, a canteen service.
No, you tell me, it is not for boys, girls hostel, girls hostel or cafeteria.
My lord, that gem tender was issued, my lord. Gem tender was issued only by that is canteen service based by so and so. But that is ultimately modified only to the, my lord, page 133, my lord. That is confined only to, my lord, page 133. There is modification correction has been issued, my lord.
Boys hostel is there.
Yes. There are two boys who still in circular building. Only there is another part. So that is only that tender process.
Cafeteria is also there.
No, along with the cafeteria in GM service, but boys who still which was not handed to me is not there, my lord. Girls hostel is also not there, which I am running, my lord. In paragraph I have stated, my lord. So now, my lord, as per
your catering service started from which year? Where is your settlement order? Page 122.
page
right.
122, my lord.
That is in 9th December.
My lord, no,
122 is 9 December 2024. Right. For a period of 1
year.
1 year. then you executed the contract or whatever. Then you wrote in which date? 3/3/2025.
My
That
only
your
hostel we are at.
boys' hostel was not
Handed over to me,
So what you continued with representation
my lord.
without approaching the court.
Authority, my
Right.
Singapore.
So that is a
That,
factor.
I'm not on that.
Right.
Now I am my lord only on.
Then thereafter, you made request in December 2025, almost on the verge of expiry of the contract
Right
for
now,
to hand over the boys' hostel.
my lord,
So you throughout almost this till December,
my lord.
you accepted the position, making
Correct.
representation,
I'm not
boys'
there now.
hostel not there.
But my
And
lord,
there you said that girls' hostel, PG hostel, and cafeteria services were allotted to you,
My-
right? Boys' hostel, no.
no,
Right. So now after expiry, you cannot get hold of boys' hostel.
I'm not on that
Right.
now, my
Now,
lord.
let me
Yes, yes.
think
that-
myself
absolutely
clearly
correct.
also. Then page 125, that you continue. So
Yes,
this
till-
continuance is without the boys' hostel.
My lord, till
Girls' hostel, PG hostel,
Cafeteria.
cafeteria, right?
Right.
So then you say that this tender notice, which was floated on 1/1/2026 in ZEM, there is a corrigendum or whatever addition. Boys' hostel, okay. Boys' hostel, it is not with you till date.
that boys hostel is not included here.
No, which
That-
one?
That which was not handed over to me.
That is not there.
Not-
Then what is this boys' hostel?
Another boys hostel. There are two boys hostel.
BG hostel is not there.
Paragraph 6, my lord, my petition, your
No,
lordship.
no.
Yes.
You said in your representation that girls' hostel, PG hostel, and cafeteria. Those were allotted. Those were allotted to you.
Yes, my lord.
That is your case
My lord,
in the representation.
my lord,
But boys' hostel was not allotted to you.
my lord.
That was
No,
in
it was
December.
allotted, but it was not handed over,
That was in December.
my lord,
Allotted but not handed over, whatever. But you were not running till December.
my lord.
Boys'
No,
hostel.
I'm not running.
So girls' hostel, PG hostel, and
And
cafeteria.
cafeteria.
That is those three
Right.
you were allowed to run. Right. Now come to page 133.
My lord.
Cafeteria is there.
That cafeteria is along with boys hostel.
Mister, you take instruction, I get confused.
No, my lord, I'm even then, my lord, that your lordship, kindly.
You want to say this tender notice is nothing to do with girls' hostel, PG hostel, and cafeteria, which you are running.
No, my lord. I'm-
141.
I have understood.
Your lordship
I have
kindly.
understood.
Your lordship kindly.
Merely issuance of notice is not the issue here. That is why I have to understand.
My lord, your lordship kindly see
Tell me, on a statement to the court, as an officer of the court,
My lord,
133. Come to 133.
133. Yes,
The girls' hostel, one. Two, PG hostel.
no PG hostel.
One minute, I have not,
My lord.
Understood.
I have not completed my sentence.
My
Why
lord,
you are
sorry. Sorry,
making interruption, Mr. Doctor? The girls' hostel, the PG hostel, and cafeteria,
My lord.
three, which you are allowed to run originally by the contract, and boys' hostel, leave aside the boys' hostel.
boys hostel.
Right. And next is that the extension was there in
125.
125 that you continue.
Continue.
So these three you were allowed to continue.
My lord.
Right. Now, page 133,
My
the say this boys' hostel mentioned there,
My lord.
circular building, administrative building or cafeteria is none of these three, according to you.
My lord,
Correct? Correct or not correct?
not clear, my lord. Clear picture will para 6, my lord, your lordship kindly see. Page 8, my lord. The petitioner beg to state that the Jorhan Medical College Hospital, Jorhat, has your lordship got page 8, my lord.
Page 8.
8, my lord.
Para?
6, my lord.
Hmm. Then which one is the PG hostel?
Girls hostel include, my lord.
Hmm?
Girls hostel include PG and undergraduate. Is written there, my lord. It is a question, my lord. No, now, my lord, my contention is that, my lord.
That
since there is
meaning
a-
there, right? Let us see paragraph 6. You mentioned about 3 hostels.
My lord,
One is boys hostel, main building,
male meaning.
having borders of 2 feet 40.
Girls-
You were not allowed to do catering service there.
There.
Right?
Right,
Right. 2, girls hostel having borders 273. You were allowed to operate there.
my lord,
Right?
my lord.
Then you said another boys hostel at circular building, administrative block, and along with cafeteria
Cafeteria
service having borders of 100.
Right.
For that, the second new fresh tender notice has been floated.
Floated.
Right. That is what you say. Otherwise, it is very difficult
My
for me. Then, meaning that I come back to paragraph 6 again. 3 is out. That was not your area. CL number 3 was not your area. Right? Not your area?
I am running, my lord. No,
Huh?
He
If
is
3
running.
you are running, then that is a tender notice.
yes. That is not been finalized, my lord.
Not finalized is different thing.
My lord.
I am trying to make it clear.
Correct, correct. No, that is included. Yes, that is included.
I am trying to
No,
make
I am-
it clear
Correct.
for myself. This for 3, this fresh tender notice has been issued. Right.
My lord,
For the other 2, not.
my lord,
According to you,
my lord.
seal number 1 and 2, right?
lord.
Out of seal number 1 and 2, 2 you are running.
My lord,
1 you have not been allowed
allowed. Not handed over, not allowed to handed over.
to run,
Yes, my lord.
not allowed to run, allotted,
But not handed, yes.
handed over or whatever,
My lord.
not handed over to you. So, as on that, you are running 2 and 3.
My lord,
That is your case.
that is my case.
Right.
My lord,
And by that letter, you are allowed to continue with the service till the process is
Finalized.
finalized.
my lord. My pair.
Right. Then, without finalization of the second tender notice, you have been terminated
That my
by
extension order was terminated.
terminated. That
Without
is the
hearing-
case.
That is my case. Exactly,
Yes.
my lord.
Have you understood?
That is my case.
So, boys, see, come to paragraph 6. Boys hostel extension is out of question. It is 2 and 3, girls hostel, and seal number 3, which is the part of the fresh tender process. And according to the petitioner, for girls hostel, no fresh tender has been issued.
My lord,
No fresh tender notice.
my lord.
This is
That
your
is, that is my
statement.
case.
Okay. So, as on that, there is no caterer through tender process
My lord,
for girls hostel.
my lord.
And for serial number 3,
Is not complete.
tender has, notice has been floated, process has been initiated, but no award has been passed.
My lord,
That is the case.
my lord. Exactly. And this impugn order 141 is bad because that was passed, my lord, behind my back without giving any notice, without giving
And this private respondent with boys hostel, we are not concerned as on.
concern. But my lord, now my lord, they are forced me to hand over all that to the him, my lord. That's why I made him party.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
My lord, the issue page 141 is related to the girls' hostel only now. So the extension with regard to the girls' hostel has been cancelled.
Otherwise, you take instruction whether
No,
this.
no, I received a preliminary instruction,
Ah.
my lord. So this order says, in view of the complaints received from the borders of the UG girls' hostel.
Then if it is complaint, then it must be
Yes, my lord.
natural justice.
Received the instruction that the girls, my lord, they have complained to the principal on 23/1/2000.
That will be behind the back.
No, my, subsequently, kindly peruse this letter, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, a meeting was also held with the petitioner, and petitioner has submitted one letter that give us 15 days time to vacate the premises on 3/2. This is the letter, and in response to this letter, my lord, the principal has granted time till 14th of February, my lord. In terms of this letter, my lord, the time has been
Two.
gra-
What is the letter? Two. Yes, see.
My lord. In terms of this letter, my lord, the petitioner has been granted time till 14th of February, my lord.
Second line.
Yes, I have seen.
We are ready to accept the decision of the authority.
There have been complaints from the, all of, most
No,
of the.
that
guards
is
that the-
after the impugn order.
That is different thing.
After the impugn order. That is after the impugn order. Your lordship kindly see.
Huh?
That is after the impugn order.
On
No,
3-2,
I am challenging that, or yes, one thing is that if it is real already accepted, then my lord, we have no case, my lord. Correct. But whatever the things they have done, my lord, your lordship kindly be sure
No,
issuing that, my lord.
That so far that complaint, on the basis of complaint, Mr. Mohanto, if on the basis of complaint of girls that has been cancelled, then there should be an opportunity of hearing to you.
That was not,
There is no doubt about it.
my lord.
But after 2-2, if this letter you have submitted with a prayer that allow us 15 days time, we are ready and
I have
accepted.
no knowledge about this.
Take
letter.
your instruction. He is saying that till 14th, you have been allowed to run.
Yes, madam.
He
14th,
said,
my lord.
take your instruction, whether you have anything to say,
Then fix it on Monday, my lord.
right? Take your instruction,
14 dollar দিয়ে দিছে দেখুন।
right? If that is,
That mean that till 14 at least, my lord, they will not. do anything.
Mr.
Yes, madam. Because
Mr. Bora
My lord.
has made the word. So,
My lord, they are repeatedly even today morning also, my lord. He says, my lord.
Mr. Bora, you
Yes, my lord, I will make.
give the instruction not to disturb him till 3rd.
14th.
Oh, sorry, till 14th. As you have said,
Yes, madam.
take your instruction,
My lord,
only,
Monday, my lord.
right?
My lord.
Will not observe much. We'll just allow you to take instruction. Thereafter, we'll proceed again.
My lord.
Heard Mr. T.J. Mohanto, Learned Senior Counsel, stated by Ms. B. Sharma. B. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department for the respondent number 123. Right?
Yes, madam.
First of, the Learned Counsel for the parties have sought listing of the case on next Monday in order to take further instruction in the
My
matter.
lord.
Both of you. And I'm taking your words.
Yes, madam.
Monday I am sitting only.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Because that's the instruction I have received from the authorities, madam. Obliged, madam.
My lord. Biplab.
For admission, item 17,
Please, your lordship. Lordship,
Yes, Mr. Nath?
Here, the inquiry has been completed. I am told that the report they are sending it to me. I'll get it by today or tomorrow. I'll place it.
my lord, this instant writ petition was filed seeking 9 shops in a business center that was constructed and falls under the Lanka Municipal Board. My lord, during the pendency of this instant writ petition, a communication was given to us whereby they have allotted all the 9 number of shops that we were paying for from the municipal board. My lord, this is for your kind
Please,
consideration.
yeah, hand it over to Mr. Nath.
Where to follow me? They have allotted us. This is the order
Take your
dated
instruction by
9th
that.
of January.
If that is the correct position,
They have two grievances. Number one, they have paid, but they were not allotted. That is number one. Second, our thing was that an inquiry was going on by the district commissioner guy. He has initiated an inquiry. I'm told that the report they have already, they have report they are sending.
report, and this is a communication dated.
This is the order, my lord.
This is by the municipal board. 5/1/26, already they have been given.
Take your instruction, otherwise.
And we have
can
taken
close it
possession.
to
Have to.
2. Okay, give a copy to us. We'll read in the meantime. You have a copy with you? Mr.
I'll take.
Please take it.
Sir.
No point then if it is allotted.
If they haven't given allotment, no grievance filed.
Just for
Okay, I'll
ensuring yourself.
get the
2 o'clock.
lot. Problem.
Item 19.
Yes, Mr. Soikia.
My lord, this matter filed aggrieved with my lord. A notification issued, my lord, reviewing a settlement order, my lord. Earlier, one notification has been issued. my
You
lord.
would file a rejoinder.
Yes, your lordship.
Rejoinder you have filed.
File, my lord.
When?
My lord, I have filed on
Not
30,
on
my lord,
record.
29th of January, my lord.
Not on record. You have got a copy, Mr. Gogoi?
Yes, sir. Copy has been served.
We do not have the copy.
My lord,
It
can
will
you
be on
please-
Friday. Next Friday.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Soikia, Ma'am Soikia, learned counsel for the, Mr. Soikia, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional advocate general, Assam for the official respondents?
Yes, sir.
For the official respondents. Official respondents?
Yes, private respondent.
Are present. Those stuff. Mr. Soikia has submitted that a rejoinder affidavit has been filed, has already been filed on 29/1/2026. Post of. Here is the office note dated. Four to 2026. Post of. The office to trace out the rejoinder affidavit, comma, stated to have been filed by the petitioner, comma, to take the same with the case record, to stop, release the case on next Friday.
Oblige, my lord.
Item 20.
Item number 20.
What is the issue about? Installation of?
Installation of the registration of the cycles. Organization regarding their
Then price
price.
close. You filed your,
Also, we have not filed, otherwise the NGO lordship.
okay. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Post of, whereas Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate for the respondents, for the state respondents is present. Post of para. When the writ petition was listed earlier on 28/4/2025 and 27/1/2026, there was no representation on behalf of the petition on the said two occasions also, post up. When recording the petitioner's absence on 27/1/2026, the court observed to grant a final opportunity to make representation, post up, para. As the petitioner is found to be non-represented on 3 repeated occasions, this court is persuaded to hold that the petitioner is not interested to pursue this writ petition. So accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed for non-prosecution.
I have 17. But I have got the copy of. Allotment has been given to them, specific numbers it will show. And then their number one is the principal.
And be disposed of.
Principal is-
Heard Mr.
P. Handick, my lord.
P. Hendick, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. D. Nath, learned counsel for the respondent number.
If it for all.
For all the respondents, full stop. This writ petition. No, the writ petitioners, 9 in number, have approached this court by the present writ petition, seeking inter alia a direction to the respondent number 5, that is, the executive officer, Lanka Municipal Board, and the respondent number 6, the chairman, that is the chairman, Lanka Municipal Board, to consider allotment of vitas, stroke shops, stroke rooms to the petitioner forthwith in the in the building, market building,
Business center.
Business center, Lanka.
business,
Business center.
in the business center,
Business center.
Lanka, full stop, para. During the pendency, both Mr. So-and-so and so-and-so have submitted that during the pendency of the writ petition, the 9 number of fitas, that is, order to likha ase, 9 number of space of fita, that is space of fita number, fita at serial number so-and-so, have been allotted on the first floor of the business center Lanka, have been allotted to the petitioners via an order dated 5/1/2026, passed by the respondent number 5. Full stop. The learned counsel for the parties have submitted that in view of the allotment of the petitioners, 9 number of vita spaces, the subject matter of the writ petition has become infructuous, as the petitioner have got the necessary relief. Full stop. In view of the above submission made by the learned counsel for the parties, the writ petition is being, has become, having been infructuous, comma, is closed, full stop. A copy of the order bearing number so and so, dated so and so, passed by the respondent of 5 is kept with the case record by marking it as document X.
Item 23 to 25. 23 to 25.
Yes,
We have highlighted it.
you have filed. Who are the petitioner? What is the relief they have sought for?
They have not been some, they have not been provided the EPS. Yes, ma'am.
EOPS. What is that full form? Electronic point of sale.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why? They are fair price soap owner,
Yes, ma'am.
fair price soap
Fair, sir.
licensee.
In first case, my lord, in some inadvertent mistake, it was not done, my lord. Yes, subsequently it will be done, my lord.
No, they are in the process of being any fresh instruction.
It has been done.
Huh? Yes, Mr. Das.
Yes. They were to obtain some instruction on 25 and 24. 23 instruction is complete, I remember, my lord. Affidavit has been also filed.
Process has been.
No, it cannot be, it cannot go on. This should be, if they are having valid fair price soap licenses, then their data should be entered into.
I'll take that instruction. The process has been completed or not.
Yes, heard Mr. S. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner in 23. And Mr. M. Chetia, learned junior government advocate for the state respondents, full stop. Where there is no representation on behalf of the petitioners in item number so and so and so and so. Full stop.
I'll represent them, my lord,
Huh?
on the,
No adverse order. Are you the counsel?
in 23.
You are in 23?
Yes.
24?
No.
We are not going to
Dictate-
pass
Digo-
any adverse order.
D. Gogoi is there in the other.
Full stop. Para. The writ petitioners are fair price soap licenses.
Right.
And their grievance is limited to the extent that they are not yet brought within the, what is the name? Within the RCMS database, right? Okay. Mr. Chetia, learned so and so shall obtain definite instruction whether the process of incorporating the petitioners whether the process of inclusion of the petitioners FPS licenses in the RCMS data has been completed, and if not, by what time the process will be completed. Lays the case on
Next week, man.
6-3
Next week.
cases.
Highly obliged.
Lordship Senior is laying in another court. Kindly pass the matter for time being.
Today I filed, affidavit is in the record.
Yes.
Lordship.
Some affidavit has been filed.
Reply to the affidavit.
Okay. Mr. S.D. Purokayastha, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Mr. S.K. Medhi, Learned Central Government Counsel for the, all the respondents
Yes.
are present. Mr. Purokayastha has sought for and is granted. How much time?
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time. To
The date
file
may be fixed
affidavit
on
in
the
reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Full stop. The praise loudly is the case on so and so.
Not
Obliged.
My lord, there is-
I want to say, tell
Yes, my lord, for in, as per one, uh, 6. What's 6. That's my 1 and 6.
1 and 6. Petition hero to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent 1 and 6. Obliged.
27. Maybe. Well, in this case, there was a tender by the agriculture department for empanelment of the manufacturers of agriculture machinery. I submitted my tender, online portal, and I submitted and they admitted that I submitted a file size of 37,996 KB, but they could not download it, So
Can you produce order dated 12th of 2020? 12/12. Let him, let Mr. Gore read it. Let him read it. Ah.
Second.
But my lord, even
Read it, read it.
yes,
Take your time,
my,
read
my-
it.
In the last para, they said if I am able to open the bid, so I can produce my laptop, but whether I am not aware whether I can open it, but because it has to be opened in the e-portal. So if some technical person can perhaps open, I can submit my laptop.
You can come to the office.
With a technical person also.
Yes,
Lordship, office person will,
Yes.
with their ID, they will log in.
Yes, I have no
Thereafter,
problem.
he
My
will-
lord, I went to their office, my lord. I submitted the hard copy of all the documents, my lord. But at that time, the director was not.
So now,
Yes, I am ready, my lord.
so, Mr. Chaudhary, what should be the date? He would appear
Lordship will fix any date the next 1 week.
next 1 week.
Lordship, I will-
But my
You
lord,
come with you
but
come-
my lord, the person will come from Calcutta, my lord.
Huh?
The person who
That
uploaded.
is why I-
Yeah, 15 days,
Till-
15 days, my lord. 15 days, within 15 days,
Lordship can fix a date. So that-
Date.
my lord.
20th of February 20
Mal-
or 23rd.
Any date, my lord, he will.
Find out from the calendar yourself. Don't say that they are.
23 will be.
And some technical person should be with him.
Or I can submit my laptop.
No,
like-
no, if you wish, you can
Yes,
bring
yes,
a
yes,
technical
yes,
person
yes,
with
yes,
you,
yes, my lord.
right?
My lord.
So that he can also say, because if you are a layman, then he can interpret
My lord.
why it was not open, right? Heard Mr. J.C. Gore, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, agriculture department. For all the respondents?
Yes, ma'am.
Post up. Para in deference to the direction to take instruction. Comma, Mr. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, has placed a copy of a communication comma dated 3/2/2026, comma addressed to him, comma by the Directorate of Agriculture, comma Assam. Full stop. Para in the communication, it is mentioned that since the bid pertains to empanelment of bidders for procurement of a specific farm item, and the empanelment period is still in currency, comma, there is no bar to empanel the petitioner, comma, provided the petitioner is able to obtain the bid submitted in the e-procurement portal before the tender evaluating authority and subject to fulfillment of all other technical and financial eligibility criteria as per the tender condition. Post of para. Mr. Gore, learned counsel for the petition, has submitted that the petitioner is ready to appear before the tender evaluating authority to demonstrate that the technical bid is one which can be opened in the e-procurement portal. Full stop. Para. Mr. Chaudhary has agreed to the above proposal made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. in the above view of the matter, comma, the petitioner shall appear before the tender evaluating authority. Office, you know?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
In the office of the Director of Agriculture, comma, Assam, at 10:30 AM on 23/2/2026, full stop. If the petitioner is of the view that he needs an assistance of a technical expert to assist him in the process of opening the technical bid in the e-procurement portal, comma, the petitioner can take such assistance, comma, which is agreed to by Mr. Chaudhary, Lion Standing Counsel for the Agriculture Department. First of, release the case on 27.
My lord, after 15, I will be out of station.
No, 27.
20, no, my lord, I will be out of up to 15th March, my lord. After 15th, any date, my lord.
27 February, I am saying.
But my lord, I am leaving tomorrow, my lord.
Oh, you are leaving tomorrow. Okay. This is up to you.
After 15, any date, my lord. 15th March, any date.
March. A term is up to what?
Up to 28th. They also, my lord, they have floated the new tender also, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Gore has submitted.
Decide if it,
My lord, they have all.
or not. Thereafter,
Okay, your
Yes, yes, then it can be, my lord.
thereafter you
My lord.
27 you can seek time.
My lord, my lord.
Your associate will be there.
My lord.
Release the case on 27/2/2026.
Obliged.
Mr. Chaudhary, Standing Counsel so and so shall apprise on the next date of this thing about the outcome. About the outcome.
27/2. Obliged.
Mm.
28.
Hmm. 2017.
My lord.
Huh?
My lord, the last 5 hours forward, the government is directed to take instruction, my lord, keeping open the maintainability also.
Yes. What
Government-
is the case about?
Case, my lord, in 2017, they issued a tender notice for second time. Tender comparative statement was prepared by the deputy commissioner. Deputy commissioner forwarded to the government, and government sitting over the matter, my lord.
We have also filed an affidavit in manner.
Government.
But it is the government who has to.
Manner.
Fishery Department. Yes, Ms. Chetia. Some kind of decision to bring the process to a logical conclusion.
Instruction law, last program.
As Chetia, you were there. Okay. Heard Mr. S. Kotoki, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Ms. S. Chetia, Learned Standing Counsel, Fishery Department. For the respondent number 1. And 2. And Mr. M. Chetia, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam for the respondent number 3. Full stop. Ms. Chetia has sought for further one week time to obtain instruction about any decision taken in the proposal, in respect of the proposal for settlement of the fishery,
Number 25 Katak Toli River Fishery
number 25 Katak Tali River Fishery District,
of Borpeta.
Borpeta, pursuant to the proposal forwarded by the District Commissioner Borpeta
My lord.
on 28/3/2017. Right?
Right.
Accepting the
2017.
prayer, lays the case on so and so. Accept prayer of Ms. Chetia, lays the case on so and so. Next Friday.
13-2. Item 31.
Mayor President.
Huh.
The matter pertains to non-payment of hire charge bills. Now they have filed affidavit admitting lordship 13 lakh something lordship. So lordship is
The admitted amount is 18,95,973 lordship. Out of that, 5,56,392 already paid lordship. Remaining balance is lordship 13,39,081 lordship. And may kindly please page 42 lordship.
Huh.
Page 42.
paragraph 6.
The part of paragraph 1 3 lordship may kindly peruse.
Petitioner claimed 20 lakh.
20 lakhs, but admitted.
Then Reveal has claimed excess amount. So 18,95,973.
Is the admitted amount lordship.
Then 5,56,000 already received.
Lordship.
And the outstanding will be 13,39,281. And proposal has been sent or what?
FOC is pending.
Assam Police said, "Hey, no, bill hiring kiba ta dishilo na? Bill hiring hard."
In other cases, 6 month period is given.
No,
to
3 month given. Last week that similar matter came up.
Your case.
Not my case. I was present lordship.
Otherwise.
Within
all
3
the-
months.
Last month edition, last month edition.
Last
What
week,
happened?
3 month time given. It was Manjit.
Let me see my order.
MCTR was
Vehicle
present.
hiring.
Otherwise, all the cases, 6 months of given.
I don't know, I had given
MCTR.
passed an order, had Mr. A. Decker, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate for all the respondents. Post up. The petitioner has stated that he is the registered owner of 4 vehicles, para 2. Number kita ase. How many? 3 or 4?
3 numbers, lordship.
3 number of vehicles bearing registration number so and so. Bekato Marti Gypsy likhe dibo aru.
Paragraph 7, lordship, I have given the shard. Registration number as well as the period.
The case of the further case of the petitioner is that during the period from 1/7/2016 to 31/12/2024, the vehicles of the petitioners were taken on hire by the respondent number 2 to the respondent number 4 for different periods. Full stop. The petitioner had submitted the bills for 4 months. 4 months. The petitioner had submitted the bills towards hiring charges as per the prescribed hiring rates fixed by the state government for a total amount of rupees 20,09,249 post of as the bills towards hiring charges for the same amount bill amounts have not been released to the petition. The petition is before this court by the present writ petition seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to release the amount of rupees 20,09,249 post of para an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 2 has been filed. As regards the bill amount submitted by the petitioner for the 3 vehicles post of, it has been stated that when the matter was examined, it is found that the petitioner has claimed an excess amount of rupees 1,13,276. Post of, therefore, the actual claim amount should be 18,95,973. Post of. When on examination of the records, it is revealed that the petitioner has already received an amount of rupees 5,56,962. 692. The petitioner is eligible to receive only an amount of rupees 13,39,281. Post of. It is further mentioned that a proposal for payment of release of the amount of rupees 13,39,281 has already been received at the Assam Police Headquarters to accord approval of sanction. And approval of sanction to the admitted amount of rupees so and so 13,39,281, subject to receipt of FOC from the government. Full stop. Para. In Mr. Gogoi, para 7 for you. Okay. 4 months.
Oh, it's fine. Upland.
Yeah, তার আগে লিখি 7 over. তাহলে ফিগার এটা ফিনিশ করে দিই।
32.
Agriculture University.
Agriculture University, my lord. They have to suppose.
Where is Mr. I. Borthakur? M. Dotto.
M. Dotto, my lord.
Mr. M. Dotto, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. First of. There is, however, no representation on behalf of the respondent Assam Agriculture University today on call. First of. Leaves the case again on video. এসপ্তাহৰ পিছত দি দিয়ক।
Item 33. Material loss.
Yes.
Just I take your lordship to my lord. CS.
CS, what is this matter
All the
about?
matter 4 persons
No,
equal.
what kind of settlement?
Certain market, yeah, heart.
Market,
Yes.
Panchayat market.
Heart, my lord. So heart, Doinik Bazaar. Panchayat.
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 Can I have a look at the tender notice?
Yes. Yes. Page 28, my
Hodurhat Dharmahala Hat Training Bazaar.
my lord.
Okay.
The main
Period
main,
1/7/2025.
period is 1/7/25 to
Hmm.
30. Already almost going to be over matter. Now, Khotan Yasiro, close.
Okay.
Close Kotasino, Biolas.
Yes,
Yeah.
comparative.
Close number 18 kindly see my lord.
Huh?
Close number 18, 18, page 30, vernacular.
Page 30,
Yes,
18.
yes. প্রত্যেক নিবেদককে নিবেদন
Antecedent.
Yes.
Okay.
দেখো স্থানীয় আরক্ষী থানার পর
Hmm.
Now you'll kindly see my page 47. CS.
47.
CS.
How many participated?
Total 11.
11.
Yes.
Your name at
Ma-
serial number?
My name, serial number 9, madam.
9.
Page 47.
Abdul Salam.
Abdul Salam. You'll also kindly see. And above that, the private respondent, madam.
Above that, respond number?
Respondent photos, 8.
8.
8.
Is he present? He has appeared or not?
Yes. Huh? Not appeared.
He has entered appearance or not?
No, Lord, we have taken a step, Dusty, and submitted affidavit, but
Okay. Accepted or not?
refused, Lordship.
Huh?
Dusty was refused, Lord.
As per honorable court order, civil judge.
They are deliberately not coming, madam, because they are not enjoying. And period of hardly 4 or 5 months, madam. Last time,
11.
Moment. But Panchayat department file affidavit, madam.
Who is respond number 7?
7 response.
Secretary.
No, Panchayat secretary. Notice, Panchayat secretary. Panchayat secretary file affidavit
Yes,
also.
Hmm.
Petition দেখো, yeah. Petition দেখো, this is ওইটা পাওয়ার লাগে, yes.
Any observation previously that it has been served?
Probably refused for the office note.
Respond number 8. Affidavit 77. Bhavam Salam, Raman P. Affidavit upon Dosti. Who is your affidavit on Dosti?
Yes, it is filed on 10/10/25. This photo. Page 74. man.
Yes, 74.
Yes. $75, $76, 77. The respondent number 8 signature is there. That's a witness. The next step was notice get the issue is in. The protocol is written.
You said he refused.
Yes. In presence of the witnesses, madam, page 77.
Were they witness any government official?
No, they are the private person, madam, they certificate.
So you say that you are the only person, or what? You have the police report,
Yes. Now-
and he does
now
not have.
Another development has come, my lord. Subsequently, they filed an affidavit, Panchayat Secretary, saying that police report subsequently he has submitted.
That is your case, Mr. Doctor.
And they stated about CS also they have disputed, my lord, said that another CS they have submitted mine.
The only reason why petitioner's bill was rejected was, my lord, he submitted one draft, my lord, which is not in his name. That is admitted.
Yes, that is admitted.
The only issue, my lord, whether that can be accepted or not, petitioner can satisfy this court, my lord, that in the others' name also they can file the submitted the draft.
What is your draft?
Draft
Draft is your profile.
Close koto আছে draft koto.
Page number, annexer 2, my lord, in our affidavit.
Draft year koto.
No, what is the condition? Where is the condition first?
Yes.
That is what? Earnest money deposit?
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes. Position with the no, close up with the draft দিব লাগে যে my lord, kindly see, my lord.
Where is the condition?
So 10%, page 29, bottom,
Bottom.
15. Your lordship got it, man. প্রত্যেক নিবেদকাকে নিবেদন লগত নির্দিষ্ট শতাংশ সরকার 10% এফএক্স ব্যাংক, গ্রামীণ ব্যাংক, যিকোনো রাষ্ট্ৰীয় বেংকৰ ন্যূনতম ফিক্সড ডিপোজিট গাঁঠি দিব লাগিব. That it is to be given, that was a task, my lord. Draft was in the name of my brother, that is, but I have submitted, it is not necessary that my lord, he is to, draft is my name. Draft is given in the name of them, my. That condition is to submit a draft, my.
There is detailed judgment on EMD
Yes,
by
yes, your lordship
Justice,
judgment.
no, and plus one,
Your
by
lordship-
Justice
yes.
A.K. Goswami also.
Listen,
If they can satisfy, my lord, on that point, then lordship, next, their private respondent and his bid is safe. Lottery will come, my lord, then.
And
Your Honor.
let us see. what is, there is a detailed judgment, what is EMD by Justice A.K. Goswami. Reported in.
So there was in this case, your lordship, that order was issue kindly see, madam, in this case, then we saw to your lordship, that is by latest 2410. In this case, my lord, that earlier position, আগের কথা শুধু ওনাদের যে অর্ডারটা করেছিল ওটা আনলাম না কেন paragraph 6, my lord, it was mentioned, and issue is my paragraph 3. Issue involved is as to whether the bank draft submitted by bidder favoring the principal secretary, purchased by another person for on behalf of the bidder
Which
can
one,
be
which
valid.
one? Which one? Which is, you have given two, which one?
Oh, that is my lord, WBC number 4752. In this case, your lordship, that case also referred. Paragraph 3, first, my lord, issue. What is the issue? This is the issue which my. Yes. There is a photo. In this case, paragraph 6. And 6 is my lord, another, we have submitted the application number 7889, your lordship's order. There you go. Okay, so una todo con una todo. Well. Noted. Noted. See, we're talking about the UN. What is it now with
Those are BTC.
BTC?
Those are BTC.
Law is
And
better.
there, no, the issue is that the entire amount, not EMD. Have you understood?
But close.
Entire bid amount is to be given by bank draft. Bank draft is as good as money. So entire amount has been received and entire amount has been received by the BTC. The lower bidder raised that complaint. So in that context, I had held and which is endorsed that entire amount has been received. And unsuccessful bidder's bid was much lesser. So the best interest is of the state. The state has received the highest amount from the bidder and which is deposited in the form of a bank draft made by some other person. Money has been received by the tendering
So
authority.
this is the basic money, whether money received or not, draft received or not.
Huh.
It is not necessary that I am told, my lord, that is the law is that, my lord, only. Here you also kindly see.
So there the interest was protected.
That's but principle is same, madam. Paragraph 14 of this matter WCPC is 4752. Paragraph 14, madam.
We put it on next Thursday with a report from the Loajima court that respond number 8 is served, so that we can decide. There is some of view, so we used to do that.
But service complete.
Next Thursday. I heard Mr. H.R.S. because that is with private person.
Yeah, private person.
Dusty.
But anyway, but ultimately he is the beneficiary. He is not coming. He
We are putting it now Thursday.
Thursday or Tuesday, my lord.
Not Tuesday. I have
Tomorrow is also.
two partner matters, which will take a long time. 12 কিবা আছে 12 আছে না দুটা এইকিটা ন Okay, we'll hear it on Wednesday. Wednesday.
11 to.
Some complicated matters are on
No,
Tuesday and Thursday.
because-
This is not that complicated.
No, my lord.
Wednesday.
Basically, the Dusty service. We filed an affidavit. So I don't know, my Lajima courts. Because they.
No. It is the registered post already delivered. Only that is why I say to expedite the matter.
I understand.
Loajima, I'll put it before the Loajima court. Registrar will pass the order. It is served. H.R.S. Chaudhary, stated by Mr. M.H.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petition, Mr. S. Datta, Standing Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the response number 123 5
3, 5, and 7.
7. Full stop. Apart from Dusty, the
For 2, my lord, this is for
M. Setia, likhi dibo. Apart from Dusty, the steps were taken for service of notice upon the response number 8, also by registered post of the case be placed before the Loajima court for a report as regards service of notice upon the response number 8 by registered post, and thereafter to release the case on next Wednesday. Next Wednesday,
11.
with a report of the Loajima court to that effect. Then we'll proceed.
The interim order is there.
Interim order, pass. Interim order?
Yes, sir.
Who is running?
Government.
Okay. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till our next.
34.
Non-Hindi.
We have to send an affidavit for putting, madam.
Okay. Mr.
Be there, Your Lordship.
The Learned Counsel for the petition is present. Mr. M. Chetia, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam. Appearing for the respondent number 1, 2,
6 and 5.
1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5 has submitted that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the draft affidavit in opposition on behalf of the said respondents has been sent for vetting, and the same could be filed within what time? Within 2 weeks' time. He has thus sought for listing of the case after 2 weeks. So stop the prayer allowed, list the case on 6-3.
36.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord? We'd like to file affidavit. We have filed affidavit. We'll like to file affidavit in reply, my lord.
To the affidavit in opposition of what? Whom?
To the affidavit filed by respondent number 3 and 4, my lord.
Okay, Mr. A. Bhattacharya,
Yeah.
Learned Counsel for the petition has sought for and is granted 2
2
weeks
weeks
time
time, my lord.
to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number
3 and 4.
Full stop. List the case on so and so, the interim order passed
Ah, shall-
shall continue till the next date of this.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Item 39. May it please the lordship. My lord, important development had taken place today morning, my lord, in court number 9, my lord. There were two matters which were analogous in nature, which were initially tagged with the current matter before your lordship, 39, 40 and 41, and item number 14 and 15 in court number 9. Today morning, an order has been passed, and there, my lord, we have been protected by an interim order saying that no coercive actions should be taken against us. Now, my that order was passed actually in pursuant to order passed by coordinate bench of this honorable court. Kindly, my lord, may have.
Yes, Mr.
So when the notice was issued, my lord, they were given a direction to file the affidavit, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to paragraph number.
Will not go into that.
Yes, my lord.
Mr.
Yes, my-
Gogoi agrees, why should I apply mine?
Yes, my yes, my
If
of
he
course, my
is-
lord.
He is in agreement with
Yes,
your
my lord,
submission,
Of course, my lord, of course.
so will not
Yes, of course.
scratch our head.
Yes, of course, my lord.
Okay, Mr. H. Hurd, Mr. H. Budagoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, excise department for the official respondents, full stop. Mr. Gogoi has sought for, how much time you need?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks? Huh?
1 week. is what.
1 week?
We have received the instruction.
Okay. Has submitted that he has received in every case?
In 2 cases, but cover everything. Similar stands, similar,
Has, okay, 2 weeks then.
very well, Lord.
Has sought for, has submitted that he has received the necessary instructions to file the counter affidavit and has sought for listing of the case after 2 weeks in order to file the counter affidavit. Full stop. The prayer is allowed. Full stop. Mr. Burao, learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that in WBC in a read petition, WBC number 326/2026, wherein the petitioner is similarly circumstanced like the petitioner herein, an interim order has been passed to the effect that no coercive action
Yes, my lord.
should be taken till the returnable date.
Now, there, my lord, it has been observed till the disposal of this case, my lord.
Till the disposal, then this is different.
No, same case, but it
No,
has
no,
been
tell
explained.
me, here it is till the
Yeah, here-
returnable date.
Of course, my lord.
So you give the
order-
number,
that read petition.
you give, instead of 326.
Yes, my lord, 7269 of 2025, and my lord, 7311 of 2025.
Okay. Into other read petitions,
ma'am, I'm
wherein the
obliged.
petitioners are similarly circumstanced as like the petitioner herein, an interim order has been passed to the effect that no coercive action should be taken against the petitioner till the disposal of the read petition.
Yes, ma'am.
In projecting so, Mr. Buranghoy has pressed for a similar interim order. Full stop. Mr. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, excise department has submitted, submitted, is in agreement that this petitioner is similarly circumstanced as like the petitioner is in WBC number so and so. Full stop. In the above view of the matter, it is observed in the interim that no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner till the disposal of the present writ petition. Same in the other two.
I'm highly obliged, my lord. My lord, one just small prayer, my lord. Can these matters be tagged together, my lord? It will be convenient for everyone. Item,
Leave the
11 to
case on so and so. Some sim did you. This is the case on so and so, so and so.
I'm
Take it
ready.
Obliged, Lord.
Obliged, my lord.
Is there any date fixed there?
They haven't, no date has been fixed, my lord. I'm
When
obliged.
did you?
25. Okay, obliged, my lord.
I am not looking into it.
No, my lord, because my lord, today morning only I could have furnished an order, my lord, but it is not online, my lord. I'm obliged, my lord. Items 42 to 49.
In this case, my lord,
Yes.
waiting for the instruction, my lord.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, regarding the price subsidy,
Okay.
where the District Industry Center has
Okay,
returned back.
Mr. Dr. A. Todi, learned counselor of petition, and Mr. M. Chetia, learned junior government advocate, Assam. For all? Okay, Ms. B. Sharma, learned central government counsel for the respondent number 1, and Mr. M. Chetia, learned counsel for the learned junior government advocate, Assam, for the respondent number 2 to 4. All the respondents are same in
Same.
all the petition?
All the petition.
Okay, first stop. Mr. Setia has sought for and is granted. How much?
4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks time to obtain the necessary instruction and to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 2 to 4, full stop. The appraiser leads the case on so and so. Huh? Leads the cases.
18-3.
Much ago.
50, item 50.
May I please, your lordship? The second time repeat, your lordship.
Yes, sir, Rava, he moved the petition.
Yes, lordship.
Right?
It's
Unfortunate. Unfortunate.
Sorry, lordship.
Okay, Forest, any instruction?
Mainly BTC.
BTC, any instruction?
What happened, lordship?
Get the work done immediately. Second round.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, Mr.
J. Ahmed, lordship.
J. Ahmed,
After contempt, lordship.
petitioner. And Mr. A. Sharma, learned counsel, representing the respondent BTC authorities. Right. Also, Mr. R. Gugoi, learned standing counsel, Forest Department for the respondent number 1. A2 hobo, BTC 2 hobo, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Mr. Sharma has submitted that he has not yet received the necessary instructions as regards the outstanding dues of the petitioner. Post of where Mr. So-and-so has submitted that this is the second round of litigation. Post of para in view of the above, comma, Mr. Sharma shall invariably obtain the instructions by the next date of this thing. Release the case. Human বিচাৰিছিল 2 সপ্তাহ. How much? 3 weeks. They 3 সপ্তাহ পিছত
That may be fixed.
I'm fixing the date.
Yes, yes.
Wait for that.
9 months.
Problem.
51 for orders.
Manoranjan Brahma. Yes. P. Nayak, submits the further time verification of the claim. P. Nayak. Yes. P. Nayak name is shown.
R.K. Musahari is also there, man.
R.K. Musahari, he is not there. A.S. Bora, he is also not there.
Yes, my lord.
This is what? BTC?
BTC, my lord, and
Both Mr. Nayak and Bora, they are standing counsel BTC. NJ Khatoni and yes, you are there.
Actually, P. Nayak was appearing in this. With the whole panel is changed, so I don't know why.
Okay, he is no longer there.
He's no longer there.
He was appearing, he has filed a wakalatnama,
Wakalatnama.
Right, right, but
If he not appeared, file a fresh wakalatnama and.
you are from BTC,
Yes,
present BTC.
yes, present.
Okay, let him take instruction.
Yes, madam. Madam,
You give a copy to him.
I'll give a copy, madam. Madam, it's a short date, madam.
INJ Khatuniya, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. None of the learned counsel whose names are reflected in the cause list for the respondents is present. Today on call, first of Mr.
Steve Homing.
P. Bhomik,
On behalf of
learned,
AKB.
learned counsel. Yes, Mr. Bhuya. Can you represent the P. Nayak as Bora? In this case, no.
I intimated.
P. Nayak is available
He's on legs, but I intimated.
as Bora
I don't-
because this is contempt, right?
Contempt.
Mr. Kikulu. Huh? Huh? Bhomik, Bhomik, learned counsel. On who appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Bhuya, learned senior standing counsel, BTC, shall obtain instruction as regards the status. What is the status as regards payment of outstanding dues to the petitioner? Full stop. Mr. Khatuniya shall furnish a copy of the petition to Mr. Bhomik within 2 days from today. Full stop. You inform Mr. Nayak because on the earlier date, because it is contempt, so he represents individually. He said that he will file an IA for extension of the time. All these submissions are made. Release the case on side. Reflecting the name of Mr. P. Bhomik, learned counsel, to render assistance in the cause list. To render assistance to the court.
After subsequently we'll file the wakalatama.
I file it. So today I am not saying that.
Subsequently.
That the client may not withdraw the wakalatnama. That I cannot say.
Yes, madam.
Right. Whether Mr. I am not happy with Mr. Bhomik. I am still happy with others. So then, so that is there. You render assistance, you take instruction after getting the copy and the details from the BTC authorities. For that, officially you have to take.
Okay.
Mr. Nayak and Mr. Bora, they will take instruction individually.
52. Please, my lord, this is regarding non-payment of bill in regards to additional repair work which was taken by the contractor. The issue is in the past, a couple of occasions, the opposite party, the PWD hasn't filed their response as of yet. The DDMA has filed their response.
Yes, revenue.
Related to the department and lordship, the department has asked for a detailed report from the concerned Deputy Commissioner Hujai. They are waiting for that report from the Hujai district.
Yes, but otherwise, order is very
Yes.
strict.
There is.
How much time you need? Okay, Arshing,
Yes, sir.
petitioner. Miss N. Bordoloi. Okay, PWD, Mr. Bhuya. Mr. M. Bhuya, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. D. Gogoi. Standing counsel PWD for the respondent number
1, 2, 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate for the respondent number 5, and Miss Anne Bodoloi, learned standing counsel revenue department for the respondent number 6. Post of. Ms. Bodoloi has submitted that in deference to the order dated 1/12/2025, comma, the revenue department has called for a detailed report in order to examine the claim of the petitioner and to file an affidavit thereafter, counter affidavit thereafter. Post of. Ms. Bhuya Bodoloi has thus sought for listing of the case after 3 weeks to obtain the instructions and to file the counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed to list the case on. We will.